फोन कर दियो तो पढ़ला बेलू तब कर अच्छा अच्छा
All right, bring it tomorrow for orders. 3-4 matters are there. You can bring it in one block. Yes, call.
Supplementary stress addition item 1.
My lord, in item 1, just I have received the brief.
What is the matter?
Annexure 1 is the impugned.
Annexure
1. Award, impugned order, that is page 14.
It is an award.
Yes, my lord.
So state has lost.
Yes, my lord.
Where is the certified copy? It is happening in all cases. There is no certified copy. After e-filing. So you must be having the certified copy with you. Seal code.
Yes, yes.
And
It is there.
immediately thereafter,
The communicated copy টা আছে।
so file it with a memo.
Communicated copy is there.
You have the communicated copy.
Yes.
So
what
file
my
it.
lord is asking since you are filing everything e-file so you file the certified copy also
Yes.
that is not on record
Because unless certified copy comes on record, we can't take up the
Yes.
matter.
My lord, my lord.
So file it with a memo, and ultimately what is the direction of the labor court?
Reinstatement.
Reinstatement.
Yes, with 10,000 cost. Compensation at the rate of 10,000.
All right, you immediately file that. Yes,
Yes.
certified copy of the.
Communicated copy, my lord. Oh.
Yes, sir.
It's also, I'll give certified copy.
Memory देई करो. Memory देई.
Memo, I will.
Yes, certified copy of the impugned award, annexure 1, filed in court, be kept on record. Now, repetition involves an award of reinstatement in service of the workman, the private opposite party herein, along with a cost of rupees 10,000 per workman, to be paid within a period of 3 months from the date of publication of award. Failure of payment within such period, the compensation, the cost shall bear at least interest at the rate 9%. Okay, considering the submission of learned counsel, state counsel, this court is inclined to issue notice. Admit. Call for LCR. Requisites as undertaken by day after tomorrow. This case. Notice as above. There shall be stay of award. Subject to, however, compliance of mandatory requirements under the provisions of section 17B of the IT Act. Subject. In the meantime, he was a casual employee.
Yes.
Casual. So have you established, at least endeavored to establish that he is working elsewhere?
Annex Satan na.
Evidence kind.
Annexure 5.
Evidence देखो endeavor नहीं चंदी कि नहीं non नहीं चंदी जदी ताले से idle बसिची refusal of working,
Yes.
refusal working, automatically the reinstatement follows. So Jati, in the course you want to avoid such employment, then take instruction what lump sum you can pay.
I'll take instruction. Annexure 5 is the show cause.
Huh?
Annexure 5 is the show cause.
Okay.
Issue to the ex-assistant
Let it
executive
be
engineer.
Okay. And in the pending of the writ application, let the state council obtain instruction as to his preparedness to pay at least a lump sum in lieu of reinstatement. This direction, this observation is however subject to, without prejudice to the claims of both parties in the ultimate decision in the matter.
To
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, I have challenged the award at Annexure 7, Your Lordship, at running from page number 25.
Annexure
Annexure 7, Your Lordship.
7.
Your Lordship.
Okay. The certified copy again.
2 weeks time may be granted, Your Lordship.
Huh?
2 weeks time may be allowed to provide the certified copy, Your Lordship.
Then that should have been your statement instead of arguing the matter.
Your Lordship, in this case, what
Well,
happened?
in every case, we should not call for filing of.
We are ready and willing to settle the matter. Actually, he has
But why have you filed a
Sorry, man, I'll file
challenge
that.
and award without filing the impugned order?
That is
Original.
Your Lordship, that is section 17 notification. Your Lordship has a glance to page 25. That is notified by the appropriate government under section 17 of the Act, Your Lordship.
That's right. You
I'll
challenge
file
that also.
that. Within 2 weeks, I'll file that. Undertake to file.
Yes. Counsel appearing for the petitioner seeks 2 weeks time to file the certified copy of the award 22/9/22 in ID case number 11 of 18. Leaves this matter after the writ petition appears to have been filed on 14/3. There is sufficient loss of time. Order becomes peremptory. Failure of bringing the certified copy on record, the matter will be dismissed without reference to bench. In the event certified copy of the impugned award is brought under within the time stipulation, matter may be listed for fresh admission within 1 week thereafter.
Problem.
item number 3,
May please your lordships. Lord, here is an award where the contractors workers, which is admittedly contractor
Just 1
workers,
minute, 1
the,
minute.
yes, ma'am.
Let me see where is the certified copy.
The certified copy of the award is there, my lord, that has
No.
been,
No,
it was filed later on, but
This
that's
brief
what my
has no
learned
certified
friend,
copy. ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ brief ରେ ଯିବି ନା ମୋ brief ରେ ଯିବି? Please find out.
will file, my lord. I'll instruct them to get another copy and
But
file
this
it.
is happening in all cases. Why this is happening?
It
All
should
your
not,
benches were not careful enough in getting the certified copy in.
maybe the free copy along with the communication
That's
might have
right.
been
That free
filed.
copy should come at least.
Yes,
That's
that
a
should
copy
be, that should
circulated
be
on
filed
party.
because that is statutorily
That
given
is
by
not
the,
given.
I'm
This is all,
sorry,
Annexure 10 is a Xerox copy.
it should not be, my lord. I'm extremely sorry, but I'll ask my associate, my learned friend to remove the defect.
ଆପଣ ପରେ କେବେ ଫାଇଲ କଲେ କି?
Man's last occasion it was
କେବେ ଫାଇଲ କେବେ କଲେ?
last week only.
ଆରେ ଡେଟ୍ ଟା କହିଲେ
I'm
ସେଟା
sorry.
ମେନସନ ହେଲେ ସେ ରେଜିଷ୍ଟ୍ରି ବାହାର କରିବ ତାକୁ।
ହଁ, ଯଦି ଫାଇଲ କରିଛନ୍ତି
That you make a
On
statement.
My lordship, on 26th, it was there. On that day, it was filed.
26th of June.
was there
restriction
with
in
defect, my
ID
lords.
case number, ID case number 5 of 19. Writ petition was filed without a certified copy of impugned hours on 6/6/23. Assisting counsel, आपका ना कौन DP साहू?
DP Saab.
Mr. DP Sahu along with Nanda, senior counsel, makes a statement that there has been filing a certified copy of impugned hours on 26/6.
My lords, 26 June, 26.
Is to verify and place the matter next Wednesday along with the certified copy if any.
Otherwise, also I'll ask my learned friend to get another copy just for the sake of, if it is not traceable, then that can be brought on record.
No, Mr. Nanda, as we have practiced in such courts,
I
we usually obtain a certified copy for the reason the communicated copy did not involve the evidence. And evidence is a vital part
Vital.
in our challenge.
and because those are mentioned only in the award
Not only evidence, but also the exhibits.
exhibits.
We normally get that and thereafter we file. But this is a trend, 1, 2, 3, all cases. Certified copy not there. And that's why they are listing with defect.
Obliged.
See, our time is wasted, your time is wasted.
Item 4,
May I please, your lordship? Here, my lord, challenging the award. It is at
Just 1 minute, one
Aye.
minute. Let me find out because this has become a normal trend. There
Annexer
is no
5,
certified copy.
Annexer 5,
There is no certified copy. ତାଙ୍କୁ ଅନେଇବେନି second copy ରେ କେବେ certified copy ରହିବନି. Therefore, my learned brother cannot come to your rescue. Second copy ରେ certified copy ଆସିବ କୋଉଠୁ? I am holding the first brief.
I'll file it.
I don't have the certified copy.
No, I'll file it, my lord. I'm sorry.
There is no filing of certified copy of the.
Here, my lord,
The writ is not entertainable unless the certified copy of ID case number 46 of 16 is brought on record. The Mahanti learned counsel appearing for the workmen undertakes to file the certified copy
by Monday. By Monday.
by Monday. List the matter on next Wednesday along with certified copy if any.
item 5,
The petitioner seeks to challenge the order of the Learned and Grievance Redressal Forum, Rayagada Circle, under Annexure 14 at page
Order of
107.
ombudsman,
Admiral,
order of ombudsman,
GRF.
GRA. You are a power company,
No, I am a small scale industry and youth milers,
you are
I-
consumer.
consumer milers.
So ombudsman is available for you.
Now he rejected that it's not justiciable at that forum milers.
No, there may be grounds.
Hmm.
Grounds, can these grounds be not taken in appeal forum before the ombudsman?
Oh, my
There is a statutory ombudsman available.
lord.
So why GRF, will be entertaining GRF issues here?
No, no. If
If
the,
it is
as per
power
the circular,
company, then he may come against the GRF, but
As
you
per
have
cir-
the
as
right
the
to.
circular issued by the OERC milers, but there is not, says not entertainable, he is bound to refer it to the higher forum milers. That is there.
What is that provision? Where is the improved order, annexure?
Annexure 14 on page 107.
Annexure 15,
14 milers, 15 on the communication of the order.
pardon?
Annexure 14,
Annexure 14, just tell the page, 107.
107.
This is the demand just.
No, no, no.
This is a demand. Okay,
Communicated
submission.
through,
Okay,
Annexure
GRF
15.
proceeding.
Page 110,
Ah,
the ordering person is there, milers. 110. And down the below the page, milers, see.
Who was the complainant? Yes, what have you submitted? Why are you not going to ombudsman?
नहीं, गुरुजी. Madam, may I kindly turn to page 120. I filed a circular mailers
124.
120. 120.
120.
May I kindly see clause 2.4. If in dispute or doubt arises with regard to the jurisdiction of the forum may refer the matter to the commission for
So where
clarification.
have you raised the jurisdiction issue?
They have said, the page 11,
Sir,
Where have you raised?
Mr.
before the
Patnaik, perhaps
GRF
you are not
review?
following. You approach the GRF,
yes.
then you say that it doesn't have jurisdiction.
Yeah, we don't say, DRF said.
GRF said it doesn't have jurisdiction.
Yes, yes, madam.
So you file a petition for referral.
So that is at page
No,
1.
we are not assisting here GRF.
No, no.
You see, by 226, then we will be assisting GRF.
Yes, madam.
That should be avoided. Suppose you file a petition,
Hmm.
you are agreed by that, then you can go to ombudsman also. But after GRF, you are coming to the High Court under 226. And High Court will
No,
pass a order. GRF should refer it to, suppose,
Under-
I mean, you're
You
taking
seek a
your,
reference under that provision.
GRF has to refer it, madam.
No, OERC has to refer.
They have to refer to the
A
commission.
reference will be made to OERC now.
Oh, yes, now.
No, nahi, here.
I have instruction
Page
to
one.
appear.
Yes.
One.
My lord, I have instruction to appear. For TPS ODL may be permitted to submit.
Yes, sir. Now, clause 2.4.
Yes, madam.
If any dispute or doubt arises with regard to the jurisdiction
Of the forum.
of the forum may refer
Back to the commission.
matter to the commission for
for
clarification.
Yes, madam.
Now, he says this matter doesn't come under my purview.
Yes, madam.
It's not
Yeah.
jurisdictional issue.
Lord, one background of the case is not submitted before lordships. What on
We are
the
on the impugned order, ma'am. Background I can submit.
ଆଗ ସେ ଟେକ୍ନିକାଲିଟି ଉପରକୁ ଆସନ୍ତୁ ତାପରେ ବ୍ୟାକଗ୍ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ମେରିଟ କୁ ଗଲେ ସିନା ଆମେ ବ୍ୟାକଗ୍ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ଦେଖିବୁ.
Hmm.
Now question is at the threshold, if he reads a provision 2.4 authorizing the forum to refer the matter. Now forum, what the forum says in the impugned order? Forum says this is not a matter coming under my jurisdiction. So there is no doubt in him. Yes, when the matters are being taken up by forum, maybe GRF or the, if a doubt comes, then he may seek a referral opinion. That's not the situation here. Therefore, you have a remedy before the ombudsman go, or else if you have a dispute can be raised before the, now he says it doesn't come under me.
Yes, madam.
So you can very well approach the regulatory commission. You can very well approach. So what do you want?
Madam, I simply direct that I will approach the regulatory commission.
So you seek liberty.
I say liberty public.
You seek liberty, withdraw this.
Yes, madam.
Even though a submission is advanced on the basis of clause 2.4 of the electricity laws in Orissa, copy of which filed at page 602 of the brief. The result of the impugned order, this court nowhere find there remain any doubt in the mind of the page 110. There is no doubt in the mind of the forum so as to forum making a reference to the
Commission.
commission for clarification. So in such event, this court find petitioner, if he has matter within the jurisdiction of commission, there may not be any embargo in bringing a dispute before the commission for his lawful decision. This court has not expressed any opinion on merit involved herein. Independent decision has to be taken by the commission. In the event a complaint is brought or a grievance is brought before the commission within a period of 2 weeks, the petition dropped Repetition stand drop with the aforesaid observation only. Actually, hearing for the Mr. Mahanti, you are appearing for?
TPSODR.
Okay. OP number? OP number one.
One.
1, 2, all these, 1,
Yes.
2, 3, all.
Yes.
All right. Senior counsel, assist kiye korchundi?
So Sanjeev Sahu.
Na subuni.
Sanjeev Sahu.
Sanjeev sir. Hala?
For orders item 6,
Wait, please, your lordships. The appellant is the wife, your lordships, and is
Just 1
challenging.
minute. Court process notice, what happened?
Process has been sufficient, your lordships.
That is sufficient?
Yes, AD has not come back, but it is sufficient. Has gone twice in fact.
No, where do you find that it is undelivered registered notice is returned? So it is returned and other notice also not coming back.
Your lordships, he in his evidence also, he has admitted that he has no,
Oh, that is merit, madam.
I admit them.
There is no appearance. You are for husband or wife?
Wife,
You are for wife.
wife, divorce has been disallowed.
That's right.
Huh,
That's
but-
right. So court is convinced and issued a notice.
Again,
Therefore, the appearance should be ensured.
I say
And
notice is
we find there is difficulty. Notice has not been substantive. Registered post returned back.
twice, your lordships. Say,
Yes, notice. Serving court. The court process notice भी 3 एपर्यंत फेरू नहीं. 4 दस्तखत कर देले. What is the avocation of husband?
your lordship will see page 23.
Huh?
Page 23. He has said that, what is the vocation? He is, your lordships, in SESU, the electricity department. Tata Power, he is there.
So he might be transferred. He may not.
ନାଇଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଅଛି ସେଇଠି ଗାଁରେ ରହୁଛି ମୋ ସାମ୍ନା ଘରରେ. There was a love marriage. Both are residing neighbors.
ସେଇଠି ରହୁଛି କି?
ଆଜ୍ଞା ରହୁଛି they are avoiding notice. He has admitted that.
Avoiding notice ହେଲେ ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ତାହେଲେ ଆମେ order 5 rule 20 କୁ ଯିବୁ ନା unless a report comes
ଆଜ୍ଞା I had
or you file an application that he is deliberately avoiding notice.
I can file, your lordship shall file. He has admitted that I have no, if the divorce is allowed.
But why court process
Down.
service is not returning back?
He is deliberately ସେମାନେ ତାକୁ କରୁଛନ୍ତି.
Action କରିବା କିଛି ଦିନ. The matter proceeding was entertained by order of the division bench. Dated 23/12/22.
Lordship will take special messenger.
Notice was issued both ways to the registered post as well as court process. A registered post notice has come back without being delivered. Unfortunately, there is no SR on the court process service. While directing the registry, while permitting the petitioner to take out fresh notice again on the husband by filing appropriate requisites by Friday. This court also direct the registry to obtain service report on the court process issued on the husband respondent by the next date at least. Less the matter 4 weeks after date. In the meantime, it may be open to you. Upon the service file order 5 rule 20. We may give you paper publication.
Lordships, I'll file order 5 by Friday. I will file an application.
court court process dharantu service ହେଇଯାଇଛି.
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
You may treat it sufficient.
See, he is deliberately avoiding because service ଯାଉଛି ସେ ଦେଖୁଛି but ସେ avoid.
Is
No,
it
that
a
report,
unknown?
that
Is it
report
a-
is not there.
I admit your lordships, but
At
যেহেতু
best, that can be a presumption. I
Yes.
mean, to record that and from court orders, it is
completely,
not,
I'm not.
it has not yet happened.
Yes, lordships, definitely. Lordships, the unutilized notice requisites may be utilized ଦିଥର ଗଲାଣି।
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ 30 ଟଙ୍କା ପାଇଁ କାହିଁ ପଛଘୁଞ୍ଚା ଦଉଛନ୍ତି?
ଆଜ୍ଞା, ଠିକ ଅଛି।
Item 7,
Item 7, my lord. In terms of the order dated 9 February 2023, the Honorable Court directed both the parties to file an affidavit. Para 5,
Order date?
order dated 9 February 2023. Para 5.
Were they party before the dispute?
Hello?
This OP number 5 to 66, were they party in the
Yes, yes, party.
They are individually party.
Party, all the 4 to 66 are the legal heirs of the,
So we have added them.
they have added.
They actually.
Then notice has gone there on them.
All they appear on behalf 4 and 66. My
You are
lord,
appearing
this
for
is
all
appeal.
these 5 to 56.
Yes, they filed the
5 to
petition
66.
without making them parties.
Okay, then this has come for final hearing.
My lord.
Yes. Because as they were not parties, we filed a
Please
petition.
be on mic.
Or they were not made parties, and twice in the High Court.
Right now that issue is over.
already.
You have been made party. Hmm.
Passed.
Okay, now. What happened to this correct factual position on their working?
My lord, our submission
ଦି
was,
ଜଣ ଯାକୁ କୁହାଯାଇଥିଲା.
I have filed an affidavit.
You have filed affidavit.
We also filed affidavit that the award which was
So
passed.
what is the position, actual position?
The mines was closed since 2003.
No, the lordship is
Right.
asking,
My lord,
since there is a direction, both of you should file
They
affidavit
did
regarding
not-
the present status of employment
my lord,
by the employer as well as the employee
my lord.
or the workman.
They did not.
Have you filed that and what is the position indicated?
I have filed that affidavit and
We also
May I
filed.
read my
affidavit.
So what, they agree with your affidavit, you have soft copy.
soft copy.
No, today they have served, whatever I have filed,
So,
they are also.
so you also agree to his affidavit, I mean, Mr. Bose filing for
They are served
workman,
today.
you agree to that?
Or both are opposing the.
Opposite, opposite.
No, we have filed the affidavit. That is very simple question asked.
Just one
That
minute.
as per the award.
Mr. Bose, 1 minute.
Yes,
There is already a question raised by a court,
yes,
a division bench,
yes.
on the aspect of continuity of the workmen. Yes, what have you said on the position of the workmen?
We have stated that since 2003, they have not working. Mine has been closed.
Where is that affidavit?
Affidavit I have filed.
When have you filed?
Yesterday we have filed. Yesterday we have filed. Yesterday.
Yesterday, Asini. So when have you filed your affidavit?
I have filed a day before yesterday.
Day before yesterday, so nothing is on record. Okay, what you have said?
I have said that the award was passed for regularization and for paying the.
Oh, don't go to
equal pay.
history.
Yes,
Mr. Bose, don't go to history.
but they have
What
not,
have you stated on the position of in employment?
they have not given employment, therefore
Okay,
nobody.
that's all,
Yes,
that's all.
yes,
So you are outside.
yes.
You have admitted you are outside. They
Yes.
say
They also.
2013, the industry is
2003.
three.
Three.
Industry is closed.
Mines closed and we have
both
handed over the mines to government.
Yes, is another point, not on that actually.
So
Anyhow.
that's a different issue.
Yes.
Maybe court was thinking something. In the process, court has given a direction. in the industrial forum.
My lord.
Come to page 85 probably.
85.
Written statement on behalf of the first party management by way of reply to the statement of the out of it. Yes, page 70. The written statement on behalf of management. So you have two written statements.
My lord. First, we have filed, at that time, they have not parties. Thereafter, after made them party, they have filed.
So from the both that you have taken a stand that your industry is closed.
My lord.
So Patnaik, you are
Para
arguing
50.
a point, you should have come prepared,
Well,
not that
para
you will
th-
be searching here.
Para 13 and 15.
So come straight to para 13.
In reply to
Se
amendment,
page টা কহিবে না
Page
আগ?
भी कहिए.
page 91.
Straight, yes.
Page 91.
91.
So earlier written statement you did not disclose because there are two written statements. One is
Correct.
Annex of 5 and another is Annex of 5 series.
5 series, one is 5 series, my lord.
So in 5 series you have stated.
My lord.
Page
Page 91.
91.
In reply to the amendments made in para 12 of the statement of claim filed by the
Yeah,
secretary.
please be on mic.
In reply to amendments made in para 12 of the statement of claim filed by the second party workmen, the first party workmen or first party only submit that they were not aware about the pressure for taking VRS by the workers. The laborers are taken VRS on their own valuation on the expiry of the contract. The operation of the mines.
That's not the question asked.
The
Question is you stated
we have stated.
the industry has come to be closed in 2003. Where have you stated that?
Next line, my lord. On expiry of the contract, the operation of the mines of the first party management has already been seized with effect from 18 to 2003. No contractors, contract laborers have been engaged by the first party management after 28 February 2003. The contract laborers were then engaged by the contractors against the specific contracts were disengaged by their respective employer contractors following the procedure under the law on payment of statutory dues. The employer contractor will apply to the appropriate government for permission of the closing down their establishment. The appropriate government, after hearing the employee contractors union, represented the workmen and the principal employer, granted permission for the closure. A copy of the permission letter issued to contractor enclosed an annexure 4 of the decision.
So this was a permission granted to contractors to close the establishment. And they were the employees of the
contractors.
There is no renewal of the contract.
No renewal of the contract.
Consequently, there is no work.
No work.
Okay, closure, has it been challenged?
No, they have no challenge. And in the meantime, IBM had given permission and we are now surrendering land to the state government.
Management is seeking permission for what?
The mines plant has been surrendered to the government.
Then what was the issue frame? Where is the award?
Annexure 1.
Rather reframing of issue after you file the second WS. Seta dekhan.
Where is the award, annexure?
Annexure 1.
Page
51.
Dated 9/1/2015.
Dated 9/1/2015.
It starts at 46.
45. Where is the certified copy of the award? Or at least communicated copy of the award?
On 15/7/2015.
Where is it?
Annexure 1, page 46.
Annexure 1, I don't find certified copy here. What is this going on? This is Xerox copy. At least communicated copy could have been filed.
ପରେ ଫାଇଲ କରିଛନ୍ତି କି ଆପଣଙ୍କର କଣ ରେକର୍ଡ କଣ ଦେଖଉଛି?
Sir, we have filed.
And I think there is some noting regarding that also.
The matter cannot be entertained. What is this going on?
ଗୋଟେ memo of defect removal filed by the petitioner at flag H. ସେଇଟା କି ଆପଣ ନିଜେ ଦେଖୁନାହାନ୍ତି ପୁଣି? That is regarding the number, name of the parties.
Allow the miscase stay operation of the award, flag A. Then caveat has come. Then CMAPL. Then the requisites. There is no certified copy here, so we dismiss the appeal. Dismiss the writ petition. It could not have been entertained. It will be dismissed on this ground alone.
No, I will entirely permit him, because
2015 it was filed.
2015.
Why should you file a writ application without enclosing the certified copy or at least the communicated copy?
We have come.
I don't know who has entertained this matter, even in spite of such defects. Issue notice to opposite party ହେଇଗଲା, certified copy ନାହିଁ, 16 ମସିହାରେ ହେଲା issue notice.
Xerox copy with us, my lord.
ଆରେ ଆପଣ ଫାଇଲ ରେ ରହିଲେ ମୁଁ କଣ କରିବି ମ?
Original ଟା sorry.
That defect is not condonable by court.
It's not.
There is no provision for condoning filing of certified copy. ଆପଣ miscase file କରି time ନେବେ ନହେଲେ
will be stressed to the date you will be
filing the certified copy.
A division bench କରିଛ.
ଆପଣ ପରେ ଆପଣ ପାଖରେ ଏବେ ବି ନାହିଁ କପି କିଛି?
ଏବେ ବି ନାହିଁ, my lord. Xerox copy.
Authenticated copy ବି ନାହିଁ?
Xerox copy, that certified copy of the Xerox.
ଆରେ ବାବୁ ଆପଣ ଜେରକ୍ସ କହିଲେ ଆମର କଣ ଯାଉଛି ମ?
I know, my
ଦାୟିତ୍ୱ କାହାର? In spite of defect being pointed out on non-filing of the certified copy of the impugned award annexed 1 or at least the communicated copy of annexed 1 in original, there has been issuing of notice. Look, it is unfortunate to observe. The writ petition was filed in 2000 on date on so and so. Even without certified copy of the certified or communicated copy at least of the impugned award. There is surprise office note endorsing filing of true copy of impugned order, and the matter has been entertained for the opinion of this court. Since there is challenge of an award of industrial adjudicator, in the minimum, copy supplied to management for this writ petition at the instance of management ought to have been filed to entertain the writ petition. In the circumstance, this court find difficulty in entertaining, proceed with the writ petition as it is not entertainable as of now.
7
Three
days time.
fortnight, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner seeks at least kete din time?
10 days time may be granted. 10 days time may be granted.
10 days
Madam.
time for bringing the certified copy of the impugned award. The order becomes peremptory. This court observe in the event the certified copy of award is filed, the matter will be placed for hearing. Accompanying the same. Further, in the event there is no filing of certified copy, the writ will be dismissed as not entertainable and without further reference to bench. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, all cases.
Item 8,
ଗୋଟାକରେ ସେ ରଖିଥିଲେ ବୋଲି ଦେଲେ, ନହେଲେ all defect Yes, now 8.
This appeal arising out of a matrimonial dispute between the husband and wife. The wife is the appellant before your
Your
lordship.
husband or wife?
Wife.
Your
Wife
wife.
filed application for divorce.
What is the proceeding involved?
Proceeding for divorce under section 13 of the Hindu Marriage Act.
1-3.
1-3, my lord. The ground of
Divorce by
the wife.
wife.
The 13. And there is no chance of reunion till then. The conciliation before this one court has also failed. And there is remote chance of reunion, and the marriage virtually failed due to breakdown.
प्रूफ कौन कले डेजर्शन प्रूफ करे पे कौन हाउ डिड यू फेल
The
काई पर परलेनी
wife has give evidence, but so far as the two witnesses.
13(1) small b
My lord.
cruelty काई कहउछंती ताले
Cruelty.
Recently has said that this theory of irretrievable breakdown, that
no, obviously I mean both of us also believe that at least High Court in 13(1) it's appellate forum, it's not 141. So
that's
beyond
what-
statute, whether we can, but if you agree for that, the endeavor is that you both of you understand where you are standing now.
if they agree, I bow down to what
This,
falls from your
this,
lordship.
so acrimonious thing and go approaching the court and
I
not
will
getting
try
divorce
to
at the-
impress upon him.
Yes.
Otherwise, legally, we will have to. I'll try to take.
And in fact, this court records the submission of you are Mr. Satpathy, na?
Madam.
PK Satpathy.
PK Satpathy.
PK Satpathy, while admitting that, while conceding that the wife could not be able to establish on the allegation of cruelty on the counsel for husband, Sri Gautam Mishra, senior advocate, even showing readiness to take her back to the husband home. There is clear denial by Sri Satpathy giving a clear decision of the wife, no further willing to join the husband. It is at this point of time, this court also find there has been other litigations going on between the parties. Marriage having taken place on 8/6/2003, we are already in 2023.
Parties separately residing since 2009.
To have a final settlement between the parties, this court opened, this court provides opportunity to both the counsels appearing for both sides to sit together and to come up with a clear proposal to buy peace, final peace, in the rest of their lifetime. Both the counsels seek at least 3 weeks' time.
May I suggest one thing? Let him also, let it be open. If she is also, let him also impress on. Yes. CB, if she can join back, a family would be safe.
You also convince your client. There is no point in fighting in this way. We may approve the order. And in that event, what will happen to you? ପୁଅ କଥାଟା ବି ଚିନ୍ତା କରନ୍ତୁ, ଗୋଟେ male child ଅଛି, ତେଣୁ your obligation to the child will go on.
In fact, he's willing to take them back still now, so let it be
I have
open.
recorded that.
Let him also see, because he has
This
already
court
said
still
that.
hope and trust that there will be there will be best possible development in the event, in the involvement of both the side counsel and both the clients. Place the matter 3 weeks after. Come up with a proposal. I say proposal accept kari close kar do.
May I submit, my lord? If the matter may be referred to the mediation center, so that party can compel both can.
Oh, ଆଜ୍ଞା ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ, ମେଡିସିନ କୁ ତଳ କୋର୍ଟରେ 3 ଥର ଯାଇଛି।
My
How
first
petition?
on my as
You are best mediators. You know the society.
But I know.
आपको स्त्री पिला छुआ अछंती ना नहीं.
again.
हाँ.
No,
तो आपण
I have
ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି. ସେ ବି
right,
ତାଙ୍କର
but
ସ୍ତ୍ରୀ
but
ପିଲା
both
ଛୁଆ
can
ଅଛନ୍ତି.
come
ବାପା ମା ଅଛନ୍ତି.
both-
ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ବି ବାପା ମା ଅଛନ୍ତି.
My friend doesn't know here, High Court had also referred it to mediation.
ଥରେ ହେଇଛି.
that time my lord, both can came together and sit together.
Come up with best proposal. जोटारे की दी साइड जाकर सब इश्यू क्लोज करिवे.
Mr. Satpathy, there are serious issues. If you go through the LCR, there are very
Well,
serious issues that are unworkable. It has already.
My lord,
since,
LCR, my lord,
and
the trial-
purposefully, I am not reading those aspects,
Well,
but
trial-
there are very serious issues. The way you are just running after a marriage that you will be granted divorce.
When a trial court in the order says no criminal case is filed. In the judgment they referred.
You have no material at all.
The same principle the wife pleads that
Copy of the petition, meta petition in course of the.
ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି.
କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି ବୋଲି ମୋ ଫାଇଲ କହୁଛି ଦିଆଯାଇଥିଲା ବୋଲି.
ଅଛି ଦିଆ ହେଇନି ବୋଲି.
ନାଇଁ ଏଠି ଫାଇଲରେ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ଦିଆଯାଇଛି ବୋଲି ସେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି ଆଜି in course of the just now I will serve.
ଇଏ କଣ ଏଇ ପୁଣି କଣ ଏଇ
Divorce was disallowed.
divorce disallowed.
Disallowed.
And here husband or wife.
She is the husband. He is the husband. The appellant is the husband.
So husband applied for divorce.
Because wife was then sarpanch and all these things. Thereafter, this husband also suffered. Also in a position now cannot maintain the matrimonial life. Of course, out of the court, I'm submitting because suffering from
What was the grant for divorce?
TV and all these things, spinal TV and all these things. Husband suffers.
Pardon?
Spinal TV and all these things, the husband
That
suffered.
cannot be a ground.
No, but thing is that my situation is so this already there is a separation for more than 10 years, but not around 10 years. I'm filing it.
Marriage when?
Marriage 2002.
2002.
So thereafter, marriage she became sarpanch. Then after this position goes, all this dispute of cropped up.
Notice and delay was noticed, delay was condoned, and thereafter no copy has been sought.
Started getting some income and some exposure sitting with some colluding people. Mind wash kale सबबेले हो. ଯେତେ engagement ଆସିଲା ସେତେ advancement ଆସିଲା ସେତେ ଚାଲିଲେ ଆଉ we can lead a life separately.
That is now.
Comfortability ଥିଲେ ସେଟା ହୁଏ. Comfortability ନଥିଲେ ସେ ବାଧ୍ୟ ହେଇଯାନ୍ତା ପଳେଇ ଯିବା. ଆଉ tolerance ର एकदम ଚାଲିଗଲାଣି ଆଉ କିଛି ନାହିଁ କେହି କାହାକୁ tolerate କରିବା.
One friend also knows that.
Then how this Dipu comes in all cases?
I'll come. The Dipu, is some. सरपंच पीरियड पूर्वर परिस्थिति नहीं की पॉलिटिक्स रे पूरी देखि फैमिली टा डिस्ट्रॉय होला.
ଆମେ ଭିତରେ ଦେଖିଦବା ଦିଟା କ ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ କରିଦେଇଛି ଯଦି ସେଭଳି ଥିବ ତାହେଲେ ଦିଟା କ ସେଟା that is sometime happening. या केस ता ভিতরে ता केस आ ভিতরে. এটা is possibility here.
Possibility.
Lord, pardon me, Lord, item 10, my Lord. Lord, I pray for an adjournment to 4 weeks after because I met with a road accident. I am unable to move, my Lord. And Mr. P.K. Mahanti ଆଣ୍ଠୁଟା motorcycle ପଡ଼ିକି ଆଣ୍ଠୁ ଛିଣ୍ଡିକିରି stitch ପଡ଼ିଛି. Mr. P.K. Mahanti will do this, my Lord. I have sent intimation.
18 मसिया मैटर जे ऑलरेडी ये नेस्को तो मेंटेनेबल हबनी री.
Lord, I have written to the authority to engage some other council. Mr. P.K. Mahanti will be engaged and brief.
काई एठी तो के नाथि.
सर आज आसार से engage हेबे सेतरे से जा कहथले.
ताला हम काली की रखु जो अदर काउंसिल आसंतु एंटरटेन करिवे आपण काई तादरे परिश्रम करतोंदी.
सर मु देला पर तो जा करबे ना से.
No, let the other side, other council come.
Give week पर आसु सर.
Not that सेमाने आउ का को लगेबे और आपण पुणी कंटिन्यू करिवे आपण को फीस देबे सब नहीं.
सर 2 weeks पर आसु. 2 weeks पर आसु जदी भला ये दो करी.
Das is badly placed for his personal reason and seeks some time. एटा टीपी एनओडीएस डीएल हेई जाई छि पार्टी हेई जाई छि बता ऑलरेडी.
आज्ञा.
ओह अच्छा. All right, place the matter 2 weeks after, but as a matter of last sense. Date.
I am for the respondent and file the.
Yeah, the respondent has already appeared through. Right. Power filed by council. हाँ चलिए on the speaker.
Transform loss matter that will be already decided.
GRF against us.
They have GRF against.
Covered by our judgment.
Sir, GRF reject करके dismiss करतेला.
Right.
GRF पर ombudsman.
All right. काहीं cover ହେଇଗଲାଣି काहीं जोड़ा गोड़ो.
Sir, 4 issues. What out?
May I be permitted to file the.
MMFC.
दे दिया.
अरे MMFC 4 issues are involved. What out?
Counsel
MMFC.
for opposite party seeks coverage of the order by one of the order of this court.
Pardon, one copy I have.
Copy of order so placed, be kept on record for reference, for referral purpose on the next date of listing.
Sure, see fixed date.
And 5 date 5. 2 weeks forever date 5.
Item 11.
May I please, your lords? In this case, my lord, wife is the appellant and the husband is the respondent, my lord.
You are for appellant?
My lord.
I may be permitted to appear for the respondent husband through VC, your lordship.
Permit क्या हम करूँ? अपन तो ऑप्शन दे appear करी already.
आज्ञा.
हाँ, permit कौन?
My lord.
Name is already there in the list even.
Yes, your lordship. I am appearing for the respondent.
Argu. कौन ये? It's by wife.
My lord, husband filed divorce, my lord. That was allowed in his favor. And against that order, your wife
allowed with a lump sum?
With a lump sum of 2 lakhs, my lord.
What the husband is doing?
Here the problem is wife is working in a teacher outside of state, my lord.
Teacher?
Teacher, my lord. Navodaya Vidyalaya.
Navodaya the central government.
Central government bahar chakri korji Nagaland. Prior to marriage, she was in Nagaland, my lord. And husband is working in a private college.
Yeah, divorce has been allowed.
Allowed, my lord. Now, wife doesn't want to leave her job and husband doesn't want to go there. That is the problem with.
पैसा मुह आसीगलानी हो कौन?
My.
करा ही पेरिबो कौन तो सुन. Divorce already there.
आगे. my lord जोगाजोग करथिल ता relatives जे तां घर लोक से जोगाजोग करथिली. Give a short time, she will appear before my lord and.
आमे क्या appearance speak करिबो एठी? अपन तो चाकरी को छाड़ियो राजी नहंती. So you can't join the husband.
That is the problem. That is the disturbance between them.
Constitution amendment पे चेष्टा करो तो parliamentarian को धर गिरी जे let there be service by at least one of the family members, wife or husband. If wife serves, husband should be house for husband. If the wife serves, then the wife will be housewife. Let constitution be amended so that one will be definitely at home of the other. या द्वारा कौन होची गोटे परिवार रे 2 जण चाकरी करी गेले आउटे परिवार रे 2 जण चाकरी पाउ नांती. एटा ही जी देश रे ई असमानता आसीची. Many families, wife and husband are working. Many families, neither husband nor wife is getting any employment. ଆଉ ये ଚାକିରି କଲା ନବୋଦୟର ଦରମା ନିହାତି କମ ରେ 80,000 90,000 ଲକ୍ଷେ LTC ଭଗ ଢିକି ସବୁ ଅଛି କ୍ୱାର୍ଟର. तो से कहबो तू चाकरी छाड़ी दे मो पाखु पळेया. तो कोन लाभ आमे डाकिबुनी. आपण कथावार्ता हुंतो ताने 2 लाख हम देखुछ आपण जदी चाकरी करूचंती.
Exactly, she my lord.
She ornament फेरिया पे कहि देई छी.
She is now in Jharkhand, my lord. What last in person she is in Jharkhand.
Jharkhand हो नागालैंड हो.
Exactly.
ये हस्बैंड कोठी?
Husband here in Nayagad.
ओडिसा रे.
ओडिसा रे.
तेनु झारखंड जेतिकी समय, नागालैंड भी आजिकली सेतिकी समय उड़ा सब गलाणी परा. But nobody is permanently joining the other. ପିଲା କଣ ଅଛନ୍ତି issue?
Pill and there is no issue.
ହବ କେମିତି?
From the give a short
Obvious.
time, the my lord, I will ask him. To
Marriage କେବେ
appear.
ହେଇଥିଲା?
Marriage ହେଇଥିଲା, your lordship, 8/12/2010.
2010.
And there is desertion 8 days after marriage. This is 13 years today.
8 days after
8 days.
My lord, 8 days after
ସତ
marriage.
କଥା ଯେ ଆପଣ ତ ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ, ଆପଣ ତ ଆଡେ ଆସିବା ପାଇଁ ଚାହୁଁନାହାନ୍ତି, ଚାକିରି ଛାଡିବେନି।
ମାନେ ମୁଁ husband ତରଫରୁ.
She,
ମୋ husband.
I am for the wife.
ସିଏ ଆସି ଚାକିରି ଛାଡିବାକୁ ରାଜି ନୁହନ୍ତି।
No, she is not appearing. Your lordship has directed on 3 dates. I'll place the orders of this honorable court.
ଛାଡି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ, ଛାଡି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
She will never appear, your lordship. She is not at all.
sacrifice କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି society କୁ। Let us start a new life. ଆପଣ ଚାକିରି ଛାଡି ଦେଇ ପଳାନ୍ତୁ ସେଠିକି।
ନାଇଁ ସେ ବି ଆଜ୍ଞା ସମ୍ଭବ ନୁହେଁ ମାନେ this is a dead tie. If your lordship will permit, I'll place it is a the honorable court has given a finding that it is a dead tie. And my learned brother also knows, your lordship if permits only one.
ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ, ଆପଣଙ୍କ personal satisfaction ପାଇଁ ଆମେ 7 ଦିନ ଦେଇ ଦଉଛୁ। ଯଦି join back କରିବେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ।
Within 7 days.
ଯଦି
I will
join
ask
back
him to
କରିବେ
appear.
affidavit ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ wife ର।
My lord.
ତାହେଲେ ଆମେ ହଁ ଦେଖିବୁ interfere କରିବୁ, କହିବୁ she is ready to join, so let them have a peaceful life.
My lord.
We may find some ground. But ନାଇଁ ଯଦି join କରିବାକୁ ରାଜି ନୁହଁ, ତାହେଲେ straight way କହିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ, କାହିଁକି ଆ ଭିତରେ ଆମେ କାହିଁ ପରିଶ୍ରମ କରିବୁ।
My lord.
Your lordship may direct the appellant to personally appear and file affidavit.
Considering the request of the counsel for wife to have an attempt at his own side for some sort of settlement. Hello. He's placed the matter 10 days after, but as a matter of last chance.
Right on 12.
Wife party ku jodi
Exact instruction as to whether they have been filed on the court order. But
you have to be sure because those things are not to be taken on record. Because the cause list is showing
yes.
affidavits filed by mother, sister, and brother of the appellant are at flag ABC. And you say that you are appearing for the appellant. Now you say that you do not know.
But I am appearing for the husband's respondent.
No, Mr. Behra, we have marked you, but he is saying that
they would have
I
been
mean,
with regard
he's
to
a
the
young
court.
counsel, so he may not be. The affidavit can't.
My humble prayer, can it be taken up tomorrow? Well, I have some personal difficulties due to my shifting of chamber.
Requested to obtain instruction from the respondent. Husband. এটা কোন ডাইভোর্স allow ହେଇଯାଇଛି?
Disallow is here.
Disallow is wife.
It was disallowed. We are for the wives. We are appealing.
Wife application.
Yes.
So disallowed is.
Disallowed. We have.
Better you should join back.
We tried to. We tried. Your lordships, we also.
कौन affidavit ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି?
Sir, affidavit ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି your lordships ki ସେମାନେ जो husband ର ଘରେ ରହୁଛନ୍ତି, wife ର step mother, ତାଙ୍କ sister, ତାଙ୍କ brother, contradictory to what is there in the depositions.
Here, sir. How can in the appellate proceeding will start entertaining affidavits from both sides?
That is from the respondent side, your lordships. We are not given the affidavit.
Cause is ଅଛି ସେଠି ଦେଖି କୋର୍ଟ when I am referring to something
They have
cause is ଧରିଛନ୍ତି କି
no, your lordships, but that has been given by the respondents, the affidavits.
Sir, you are stuck somewhere. Affidavit, the list is very clear by appellant. Could be mistake ଆପଣ ଦେଖି କୁହନ୍ତୁ କେମିତି ଜାଣୁଛନ୍ତି ସେଟା respondent ବୋଲି yes अरे कौन ତାଙ୍କୁ ଗୋଟେ list ଦେଇଦେବେ list ରଖିବ
ମାପ reunion. You should satisfy.
Your lordship,
the burden or the onus never shifts. If you are alleging something against the husband and filed a suit, you have to prove that.
Your lordship,
there is no concept of shifting a burden or onus.
I beg your pardon.
I think you are hinting at that. There is no question of begging your pardon. You have to be prepared well. It's not a kind of a you take a fast time, then take a chance, say something, then he has started filing affidavit. But both of you are off track.
Your Lordship, just one submission here. The
And that
judgment
submission is well taken. You must understand that
in
your
Divorce declining.
Can it be on 12th? Can it be on 12th?
The mediation is a alimony. ସେଥିରେ କ'ଣ affidavit file କରିଛନ୍ତି?
With your
Both side there.
kind permission, may I just?
So the appeal is confined to quantum only.
Yes, my lord, on the previous bench when it was heard previous
Now, you are for the wife.
wife appellant who challenged,
So dissolution has been allowed.
dissolution has been allowed, that has been challenged in appeal, your lordship.
Appeal but dropped. That ground has been dropped.
That ground has been dropped because after conciliation between the parties,
So it is now confined
confined
to
to only alimony.
What was the quantum granted?
5 lakhs.
5 lakhs.
5 lakhs.
Yes.
କ'ଣ
And,
affidavit file
I-
କରିଛନ୍ତି? କେତେ ଟଙ୍କାକୁ raise କରୁଛନ୍ତି?
5 lakhs, we have already paid 80,000
No,
thereafter dissolution.
Huh?
After dissolution, they have passed order to file to give 90,000. Out of that, we have given 80,000.
Madam, that is with regard to the other interim maintenance order, my land.
ସେଗୁଡା ଛାଡନ୍ତୁ, ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ Mr. Nandi. Now the trial court has allowed the dissolution of marriage application with grant of permanent alimony.
Yes.
5 lakhs. Now the wife has come to court and dropped the issue of dissolution of marriage, confining the appeal to the permanent alimony.
Yes.
Permanent alimony re auri date hela pore.
More status.
What is your expectation?
But in fact, we were praying for 20 lakhs consolidated because the daughter is with the wife. Daughter is also with
Wife
the
is unemployed.
wife is unemployed, your lordship.
Employed.
What the husband is doing?
Husband is, my wife is not unemployed. I am extremely sorry, paragraph 3 of my affidavit. She is
Sorry?
working as a teacher in a private school and getting salary of 8,596.
Husband.
No.
Wife.
Wife ପାଉଛି 8,000.
Yes.
So therefore,
husband ହଉଛନ୍ତି
that was pleaded there. That was also a material available in the trial court.
Yes.
Okay. So maybe that is how 5 lakhs ସେ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି. ଆପଣଙ୍କର earning ଅଛି.
That your lordship can test whether they can thrive and survive because the daughter is also a very.
ଆଉ କିଛି enhance କରନ୍ତୁ Mr.
ଆମେ
Nandi.
ସେଟା 20 ଲକ୍ଷ କହୁଥିଲୁ।
ଇଏ ହଉଛି ୟାର
Because you
status
are getting rid of. Getting rid of.
Yes.
So ଆଉ କିଛି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ.
ଆଉ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ affidavit ଟା concessional file ହେଲା because of this settlement.
Affidavit କ'ଣ କରିଛନ୍ତି?
ଯୋଉ ଆମେ divorce ଟା challenge କଲୁନି ବିଲକୁଲ on merit.
ସେଇଟା ଅଛି ହେଲା.
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
So that issue is closed. Now we are confining to amount.
And he is an assistant professor in
20 ଲକ୍ଷ କହିଲେ କ'ଣ 20 ଲକ୍ଷ କି the material ଯାହା ଥିଲା
ନାରେ ମୁଁ ଆସିଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ଲେକ୍ଚର ବୋଲି MBA ରେ ମୁଁ ଅଛି, ମୋର ଚାକିରି ସ୍ଥାୟିତ୍ୱ ନାହିଁ।
ଆପଣ କ'ଣ କରୁଛନ୍ତି କହିଲେ?
ମୁଁ ଅଛି ଲେକ୍ଚର, କନସଲିଡେଟେଡ୍ ଆମାଉଣ୍ଟ 28,600 ପାଉଛି।
38,600
28,600 ପାଉଛି। ମୋର 4 ଜଣ ଅନମ୍ୟାରେଡ୍ ଡଟର ଥିଲେ, ତାକୁ ବାହାଘର କରିଛି, ପ୍ଲସ୍ ବାପା ଥିଲେ ମରିଛନ୍ତି, ପ୍ଲସ୍ ମା ଅଛି ମୋ ପାଖରେ, aged about 80. She is residing at his.
Be generous to your wife. Be generous to your wife.
ମୁଁ ଆପଣ ଯାହା ନିଷ୍ପତ୍ତି କରିବେ।
ନା ଆମକୁ ନୁହଁ, ଆପଣ 2 ଜଣ ଯାକ କୁହନ୍ତୁ କ'ଣ ଟଙ୍କା ରାଜି ହେବେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ, ଆମେ ସେଠି ରେକର୍ଡ କରିଦେବୁ।
ମୋର 28,600 ଟଙ୍କା ହଉଛି ଟୋଟାଲ ଇନକମ୍। ମୋ କେସର ସ୍ଥାୟିତ୍ୱ ନାହିଁ, କେସ୍ ଇଜ ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ହିୟର ହାଇ କୋର୍ଟରେ।
ନା ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ, ୱାଇଫ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଗୋଟେ ଫେଭର କରୁଛି।
ଯାହା ଆପଣ
ଡେଜେସନ ଅଫ ଇଏଟାକୁ ଛାଡ଼ିଦେଲା ସିଏ।
ଲର୍ଡସିପ ବୋଥ ହ୍ୟାଭ୍ ଡିସାଇଡେଡ୍,
ରିଜୋଲ୍ୟୁସନ କରିଦେଲା, ଆକ୍ସେପ୍ଟ କରିଗଲା, ହଁ ଯାଉ ସ୍ୱାମୀ ତାର ଫ୍ରି ହେଇଯାଉ। So it's a mercy. She could have challenged that also very well.
Yes, more.
So
I'm not.
Yes, କ'ଣ ଆପଣ 2 ଜଣ ଯାକ ବସିକିରି କୁହନ୍ତୁ କେତେ ଟଙ୍କା ହବ?
My lord, in fact,
ସେଟା କହିବାକୁ
fact, your lordship will see. कौन है?
ये जोटा फाइल करछन्ती एफिडेविट
Affidavit, my affidavit is flag A.
आपन को कॉपी देइछन्ती
हाँ.
आपन कॉपी देले आपन आर कोन ऑब्जेक्शन देइछन्ती
Lordship's query is after you file the A and B, and already there is an order that it will be confined to quantum. So you as lawyers, actually, you can work out
I
on
was
this.
only praying, possibly the parties will not be able to arrive at a
No,
settlement
no,
with
no.
regard to quantum.
We are not there.
Basing on
Lordship
the-
is not asking that. So what we are discussing is that now, since the affidavit is on record, both of you can work on it, that what could be a reasonable amount. Because on basis of that affidavit, you see, they are not coming to picture, they have given that affidavit. So they have nothing to say more. And there is a declaration that if anything found false, then obviously nobody is disputing. But since that is a format, it is that format affidavit or formatted affidavit, as you say it.
I was only.
So you both of you can discuss on flag A and B and tell us. Because as you said,
wife husband भी बसांतु बसेगिरी गोटे सेटल करंतु हां 10 लाख देबे
I'm ready to pay 7 lakhs.
No, Mr. Nandi.
Maximum, because
Mr. Nandi.
we have no property, house, land, I have already given affidavit. I have no property except joint 1/6 here from.
No, Mr. Nandi, if 7 lakhs ru jodi 9 lakhs will be more acceptable, seta karantu, so that you also.
Dei pariboni se ta pakhre nahi bank account bi deichi mu. I have
तो आपण
disclosed
चाहूचंती
how
आपण
much.
चाहूचंती डिवोर्स आपण सेपरेशन चाहूचंती आपण एन्जॉय करिया पे चाहूचंती
से आसिला नाही बोली बाध्य
बेनिफिट साइड बुझले
से 7 lakhs रे राजी ही पारंती, we are not there. But since both the affidavits, Mr. Nandi, kindly appreciate this.
Lordships,
The procedure has changed now. Kindly listen, Mr. Nandi. Now the procedure has changed. That is how the Supreme Court has directed. Both will file affidavit.
I have.
So why they are filing? To arrive at a reasonable amount of this alimony. So for you, both of you, instead of talking to them also, you can decide on these affidavits, whether what would be a reasonable amount. And if 1 lakh is more, they will be happy, then you give that. That from the very beginning, we are asking that since you will be benefiting out of it.
आउटे बढ़िया चेष्टा करंतु से आउटे कमेया चेष्टा करो
नहीं मोर इनकम टोटल इनकम स्टेटस हला 28,600 कंसोलिडेटेड अमाउंट आई एम गेटिंग
अजे लाइफ लॉन्ग आपण देबे ना आपण जो 28,000 लाइफ कंसोलिडेटेड पाउचंती the entire life you will maintain your wife if you are in the matrimony and you want that she should go away and you enjoy your life. That is the provision for permanent alimony.
She is facilitating also.
She is also facilitating. And law has to develop to that extent that upon the entire family maintain karibe, wife ko maintain karibe.
Out of
law development
curiosity I am saying so. That is, your lordship has given proposal to enhance some.
सबु केस उठी जीवो एरियर फेरियर कथा किछि और रहिबो नै आपण ओटे गुड अमाउंट दियंतु ओटा गुड अमाउंट दियंतु जोटरे कि हमें सबु अदर प्रोसीडिंग सब क्लोज कर दो
सबु टिक मु से देई पाले मु तो कहि परिबिनी बिकॉज़ आई एम नॉट द पेइंग ही
नहीं आपण आसिलेनी 7 पर्यंत
नहीं 7 पर्यंत मु एट बेस्ट तंको कहि देली
से आपण आसिलेनी 7
आ कैपेसिटी रे बाहर मु ताऊ पचारि थी
उठिले माने पे आ कहबा को स्कोप पाइलेनी हमें प्रॉपर्टी भीतर को जीवु सुन दो एतरे कोन हबो धर तो हमें कोइ 15
मु खाली कहि देले हबनी ही हैज टू
एग्जीक्यूशन होतबो एग्जीक्यूशन किछि बेनिफिट होनतबो
बैंक अकाउंट रे ओनली
से बैंक अकाउंट रे रखिबेनी मिस्टर नंदी वी आर नॉट दैट काइंड ऑफ
आपण जहा
मिस्टर नंदी नाउ दे विल हैव टू रेस्पोंड दैट अकॉर्डिंग टू योर एफिडेविट व्हाट विल बी द प्रोपोर्शनेट एलिमनी
हां ठीक है
दे कैन रेस्पोंड
हां एफिडेविट तो देछि मोर किछि नै कॉन्सेप्ट
as the Mr. Mishra, did you think in that way that as per their affidavit, what could be a proportionate sum of alimony?
My lord, in terms of Rajneesh versus Neha, I will just find out,
Yes.
making a calculation.
And at the same time, you are also to consider that ताका family रे भी आउ किसी option थी लोग को.
Next, जो भौन को पाई कहले, he will not have a legal.
That should have struck you. आपण रजनीश नेहा कोन apply कले?
दीटा अकाउंट देछि ना
28,000 कोथरे क्रेडिट होची सर? आपण तो देखिथिबे ना मु तो आपनकर फैक्ट रे भी आपन असिस्ट करबी ना कोन?
आज से ठीक
देखछन तो हाउ यार
देखि देबे
28,368 गोटा करे अछि.
16 item 16 personal affairs.
चेंबर रे
नहीं कोर्ट रे
कोर्ट रे
पर्सन अफेयर
item 16
सर 19/22
28,000 टा ई 2022 रे की कथि
ମୁଁ ଫାଇଲ କରିଛି
ये 16 नंबर आछंती कि इन पार्टी आछंती कोन पे पार्टी को डका हितला दिल्ली की फाइल एटा नहीं जा
I am for the respondent. Respondent has to
सबु अदर बेंच रो मैटर की कोठी कोन डायरेक्शन देइछंती से पळे आसला सब एठी की
Lordship, on the last occasion, the appellant itself
data
undertakes to pay the.
माटा 8/21 का है
because kindly appreciate. So for the 2 criminal cases has been filed by the wife and 1 criminal case has been filed by the husband. And vis-a-vis a maintenance case, they are also each and every month we are paying 10,000 rupees to the wife. She is getting for about last.
That will be closed.
My lord. So last time it was also Ballot directed me to take instruction, and it was also offered by the present petitioner. If the other side, the wife will come forward to settle the dispute, my lord, I am ready for that. So that was the only thing to be answered by the wife. Because in the meantime, out of that 15 lakhs, around 5 lakhs some odd, which has been calculated after the order of the pass, Hon'Ble card is passed, she has already taken. So all these things have to be taken. My lord, if she's come forward with that she is willing to withdraw all the cases, including 498 case, and all these things, well, I am ready, well. And my lord has directed me to appear. I was also appear physical presence on the
your husband.
Well, she is serving in the CRPF, and if my lord wants so his personal appearance, it was directed. She has come, but because of some reason, my lord, the matter was not taken up. If my lord is interested, my lord may direct by any day after 7, 8, 10 days, my lord, I will the person will appear, my lord.
Wife has
21 directing the husband to deposit the sum of rupees 15 lakhs.
The total
within a period of 4 weeks from the date of order. In the meantime, almost 2 years have passed. Almost 2 years have passed, and there has been no deposit of this amount. The appellant is already in contempt. This court hope and trust there shall be deposit of this amount by the next date to further entertain the matrimonial appeal. Place on 7 days for a date card.
Sir, I got a request.
In the interest of justice, you should have deposited something. You could have asked for some time.
मोर स्त्री धन तळ कोर्ट रे ऑर्डर हितला स्त्री धन रिटर्न करया पई सेडा भी से सब मिछ कथा सर से सब तांका पाखे
सेटा एग्जीक्यूशन रे आपण नेबे
आपनको साइड रे भी जा देथियो सेटा तांकर स्त्री धन कोन
डेफिनेशन सेटा रखिले से काली कोन बाहरला ताकू को बाबाजी कहिला जे
I may be pardoned to mention my item 23. I have filed power that is not reflected, my lord.
My name
it doesn't appear.
कोर्ट मास्टर को कहले से अपन रजिस्टर आसी नथियो सेमति आमे केमति करिवु
I have filed on 23rd.
नेक्स्ट डेट रे मेंशन कर देबे जति आपण ऑफिस रे ट्रैक करे देबे कर दियंतु
नहीं एठी नहीं
से आनिबे
ऑफिस रे पचार काले थिबो जदी थिबो नेक्स्ट डेट रे तांगा ना
I have kept the receipt, my lord. I have filed power. I have kept the receipt.
आपण कोठी फाइल कले
लागिवा दरकार
Filing counter रे, my lord.
काउंटर रु कोठी जीवो
Section में, my lord.
केबे फाइल कले
23rd June, my lord.
23rd जून आज एते दिन हेई गलानी
My lord.
तेनु जाउनी माने कोन उटे कोठी रहिछि डिफेक्ट कोड फीटा ठीक लागि नथिबो
No, no.
केस नंबर टा भूल हेतु नले मसिया टा भूल हे जइतबो वेरीफाई करू
We have
there are
filed
so
the
many
counter
things.
also, my lord.
There are so many things वकालतनामा जे उटे बंच रे रहे जोटा कि अनअटैच्ड हे जाय
That is the
देखो
section.
पठांतु का गोटे आ आमे एतो को कहिलुनी
A lot,
मास्टर
bench clerk.
You should understand
take
that.
care of it.
Yes, what is this matter?
Sir, state has not filed any objection. It is directed to the state to file any objection. Honorable Justice has ordered to the state to file any objection for admission in last order, 10th May.
It is custodial harassment. आपन को jail harass करा इतला.
Jail harassment में नहीं जो
ते आपन leave कहीं High Court रो मागुचंती. You can very well file a petition for compensation. Leave रो किछि necessity नहीं है सब रे.
नहीं sir, harassment proof है तो sir proof.
Pardon?
Proof है ना sir harassment.
No, proof High Court रे file करो तो High Court may conduct an inquiry through some officers.
It is sir.
No leave is necessary.
नहीं इटा leave पे करनी sir, इटा मो file कर चीज़े कौन मने इटा state हाँ राजीव भर तो चीज़े.
नहीं ताले को assignment नुआ.
Jail harassment sir इटा.
सुनो तो आपंकर prayer होची मते leave दिया जाओ to move an application on the issue of jail custodial harassment. No leave is necessary. आपण जाई परिबे देखंतु there is a human rights cell. Human right also authority there. You make a complaint to them. So their appropriate inquiry is being conducted by their own staffs, own vigilance department, their own inquiry officer there.
Honorable Justice can direct the give a direction.
It's not permissible here. The writ is not entertainable.
Now, first it has been put in another bench. After that,
This
they
is
have
not a public interest. Place it before single bench. Had the submission.
They've sent to the here.
Sri Mahapatra party in person. The writ petition is filed basically seeking leave to pursue the attempt of the petitioner in person, issue involving jail custodial harassment, mental cruelty, violation of fundamental rights, human rights, destruction of judicial right.
Sir, jail manual rule.
In accordance with law, petitioner has ample opportunities to move competent authorities on the issue involved herein. In this circumstance, this court finds the writ petition is not entertainable. In the present form is not entertainable. However, dismissal of the writ application shall not stand on the way of the petitioner to pursue competent authorities or court on the issue involved herein. All these issues can be decided by Human Rights Commission.
I don't know to. May I please, Your Lordship? There is an IA for amendment 6526 of 2023.
Pardon?
IA for amendment, my lord.
There is an IA for amendment.
My lord. 6526 of 2020.
So what do you want to bring now?
There's a
What do you want to bring now?
a proposed amendment is at page 3.
A correction would have khali.
Sir, sir.
All right, amendment application allowed. Amended writ petition have you filed? Copy them.
I have served them the corrected writ
Petitioner
petition.
is filing amended copy of the writ petition in terms of the request made in IA 6256 of 23, which is accepted. The rest is directed to reorganize the brief, resettle the brief, and place it again day after tomorrow. In the meantime, copy of the amended writ petition we also served on the State Council.
I don't see.
My lord, it is a covered matter, my lord. As per the directions of Honorable Division Bench, WPC 1608 by.
There is any private party?
No, no private.
Where is your certified copy of impugned order?
Impugned order is attended.
Annexure 6 is the impugned order.
It is annexure 6.
So where is the certified copy
Annexure
of
6,
impugned order?
58. Page 58, 59.
58, it is only a Xerox copy. It is only a Xerox copy.
No, I will file the certified copy.
File karo do. File it immediately with a memo. Certified copy of Annexure 6 is filed along with a memo in court. Be kept on record. Yes, you take instruction. It's a 22 proceeding. Section 22 proceeding.
A court similar matter.
Just read the ground of decision, page 58.
My lord.
Read the ground of decision at page 58.
Page 15.
Page 58 ର challenge କରିଛନ୍ତି ତ order ଟା
My lord, my lord.
ଆରେ ପଢନ୍ତୁ ground of decision ପଢନ୍ତୁ ମାଇକ୍ ଟିକେ ଡାଉନ କରି ପଢନ୍ତୁ
Case record is put up today. On verification of case record, it is seen that the petitioner has not submitted relevant documents in support of his or her claim.
so this is all then you refile the application.
My lord, it is a lease received from the GA department, and GA department has converted the lease to freehold lease, and GA department have intimated.
Mr. Behra, the reason is you have not produced any document.
It is a wrong observation of the court.
So for you have submitted documents.
Yes, all the documents.
You call the file is petitioner in reference to the impugned order and seeks submits counsel for petitioner. That in spite of his filing, the petitioner's filing relevant documents, there is wrong observation and therefore there is illegal dropping of the proceeding. This court direct the petitioner, counsel for petitioner to serve 2 copies on the state counsel. And state counsel is also directed to obtain the LCR involving objection case number 3258/2718 of 2013, at least within a period of 10 days of the order.
My lord, kind of glance at page 56. The GA department has sent the copy of the order to SO to record the land in favor of the.
Okay, let us see your submission if found to be correct. Then I may remand the matter.
My lord.
You might have filed some documents here, but you have to be sure that you have filed these documents there.
I have filed all.
Okay,
the
let us
documents.
see 10 days for a CORAM, not a working day with you. Yes, next.
Item 4.
You also examine, he has filed lot of documents here. If these documents are already there or not. Yes. Mr. Behra, opportunity is with you, option also with you. If you have not produced record, you can very well withdraw this. I can grant you liberty for filing a fresh case. But if you say, you are saying you have produced all records.
I have filed all the documents.
If record reveals there is no document, then heavy cost will be imposed.
My lord.
Okay, all right. Wait for 12 days at least. Yes.
Please, Your Lordship, petitioner filed this writ application for seeking a direction to opposite party number 2 for recording his name along with performer opposite party number 3 is not final ROR as they have purchased the property on 18/1/2020 from rightful owner. My lord, as opposite party number 2.
Please read your prayer. Please read your prayer, page 7.
My lord. Hon'Ble Court may be pleased to admit the read a petition, issue notice to opposite parties, and after hearing allow the same by directing to opposite party number 2 to accept the appeal from petitioner and to record the scheduled land in favor of petitioner. And
so you have submitted an appeal that is not being entertained.
Yes, my lord.
Where is the appeal memorandum?
My lord, delu but se manna kale.
Are se manna kale eiti kai copy? How could you establish that, yes, sir, this is my appeal memorandum, he is not accepting? Where is your averment that you have extended and this opposite party did not receive? Had the submission of land counsel for the petitioner. Filing the writ application, petitioner has a serious allegation against OP2 in not receiving the appeal at the instance of the petitioner under section 22 of OSS Act. Yes, Chief Justice. Chief Justice bench order
Yes, yes.
operates here. Okay, considering serious allegation, this court disposing the writ application permit the petitioner to re-tender the appeal and or the appropriate application under section 22 of the OSS Act before OP number 2 at least within 7 days. And in such event, the OP number 2 shall accept the same and will pass a lawful order after providing opportunity of hearing to the petitioner as well as the party likely to be affected, if any. Yeah.
Item 5. 5 melody similar audio lordship are the Basundhara
Yes, what is
scheme.
this representation?
Yes, my lord. Annex 1 is representation taking into account of Annex 3, my lord.
Basundhara Jodhana.
Yes, my lord. Landless person.
All right.
Obliged.
Item 6.
Kindly see page 8, my lords.
Yes.
Page 8, I've given the genealogy of the parties. My lords, a partnership firm, the petitioner partnership firm was formed between Krishna Chandra Jena and Khirod Chandra Jena. Krishna and his grandson Khirod, and son.
You have several round of litigation.
Second round, in fact. Second round,
One is withdrawn, then there is a contest order also.
Yes. I was withdrawn on a representation that they would solve my problem, but they did not. They have compounded my problem.
Therefore, reconstitution of the farm is pending at their end.
Yes, my lords.
So you take notice, what interim order possible here?
Interim order that the only difficulty is that since the firm is not getting reconstituted,
it can't operate.
The bank accounts.
It is dependent.
Bank accounts.
It is dependent.
Yes,
So
that is my
therefore you
difficulty.
Take notice in both. I'd say Mukherjee, senior counsel, assisted by Ankita Mukherjee.
K. Banerjee. K. Banerjee.
K. Banerjee. Issue notice on the question of admission, fixing short returnable date. Matter be listed immediately. Services after the service is sufficient on OP number.
Let it go on all the opposite.
4. What is that oil company?
1 and 2.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2.
The deputy chief controller explosive probably you will appear. It's a SAHOO.
Central government.
No.
Only number 3 you don't appear.
No.
So notice to 3 or 1 to 3 only one copy on SAHOO will be appearing for OP4. Place the matter on so and so date, preferably on so and so after 4 weeks of the date. Miss case be notice as above.
In the meantime, let them not take any coercive measures against me.
What coercive action?
They may stop the operation of the pump. They may stop supply.
You are operating?
Yes, I'm operating. I'm operating the bank accounts. I'm operating.
Meantime, if the petrol pump in question is in operation, there may not be any coercive action against the petitioner without leave of the court.
Obliged.
Item 7.
May I please, Your Lordship? It is the, if Your Lordship remembers, this is the graveyard matter, which the government was to submit the status report. How far is the construction work has commenced?
Yes, where is your counter?
No, we have received the instruction.
Is it favoring petitioner?
Yes.
You are shifting?
Yes, already shifted.
Already shifted?
And construction is going on.
In the shifting place?
Yes.
What is the plot you have indicated? And you have resistance in construction? What is the plot number you are resisting? Plot number 952, khata number 234.
My lord, I'm checking it, my lord.
It was.
My lord, I will have to take instruction, my lord, regarding that effect because.
Pardon?
I have to take instruction regarding the.
What instruction you will take?
Because.
Okay, this repetition involves the following prayer. You file a small affidavit.
Yes, sir.
Your state council on production of the instruction memo submits for the videos information, the development work of the portion of the land upon which crematorium is to be constructed has been completed. Layout and excavation of foundation has also been completed. Rod binding for 8 number of columns is also completed. Bill amounting to rupees 1,12,080 has already been paid to the executant. Instruction memo clearly exhibits there is substantial progress on the disputed land. The progress involving the crematorium on the disputed land, it is difficult to interfere in such issues at this stage of the matter. Petitioner, counsel for the petitioner at this stage seeks time to take instruction. Place the matter next Wednesday. In the meantime, State Council also directed to file a small affidavit indicating the instruction received through the instruction memo by next date, by Friday, with service of copy of the same on the counsel for petitioner. It is there.
Well, in advance, if you lords, copy to be served on us in advance, my lord. So
Pardon?
Copy to be copy served on us in advance, my lord.
Yes, I have said it will be Friday, by Friday, filed by Friday. I have indicated everything.
My lord, oblige, my lord.
Why do you wait for copy?
Highly obliged, my lord. Highly
Order indicates what is the development, what is the release of money.
my lord.
So what more you need?
Highly obliged, my lord.
Item 8.
तथापि हम ଦେଇଦେବେ शुक्रवार କରି तब कॉपी ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ. I am calling it on Friday only to be closed. Yes, Mr. Mahapatra.
Matters item 8, I purchased a piece of land, my lords. Then, my lords, it was within the Cuttack Tahsil, under Cuttack Tahsil. I filed a mutation case. Thereafter, my lords, the mutation case, my lord, kind of a glance to annexure, my lords, 8, page 49, my lords.
This is on the basis of a sale deed.
On the basis of a sale deed, taken note of, possession was considered, RI has given report as part 49.
47 day there was already a notice in the mutation case.
47 ଆଗ ଏଟା କଟକ ତହସିଲରେ ଗଲେ
8 ରେ dispose କଲେ.
ନା ନା ଆଗ ମୁଁ apply କରିଥିଲି କଟକ ସେତେବେଳେ it was within କଟକ ତହସିଲ. So I applied before କଟକ ତହସିଲ. Then କଟକ ତହସିଲଦାର matters RI made the report and then matters kind of a glance to the page 49.
The proceeding is still pending.
Still pending, matters kind of a glance to page 46. Thereafter, matters Tahsil, it has been transferred to Tahsildar Barang. Tahsildar Barang issued annexure 7, and that proceeding is pending. And though it is concluded, proceeding has been concluded. ROR is not
Yes,
issued.
Mr. Sahu, come to page 49. There is already a direction for correction.
Yes, my lord. Last
so
line.
why are you not bringing out the record of right?
I will take instruction.
3 extra copy. There is serious allegation of not working out the order in terms of order dated 30th/7/2010 by page 49 involving mutation case number.
It's 231 of 2010.
231 of 2010. It is surprised to find there is unnecessary delay in such matters. This court directs service of 2 extra copies on the State Council, who is directed to bring to the notice of the court reasoning, non-preparation of the record of rights involving a case of 2010. Place the matter on next Friday. Yes, ask your Tahsildar if it is not prepared, he is to appear along with the pata. What is this? 2010, somebody goes for mutation and still the case is pending. Tahsildar, the RI report is already there and it is based on a cell deed.
Tahsildar passed the order. Last line means Tahsildar Cuttack Hall passed the order. In the meanwhile, it has been transferred.
Yes, if possible, produce the record of right on the next day. Pendency of the writ application shall not stand on the way of the Tahsildar, concerned Tahsildar,
Barang matters.
in bringing out the record of right in the meantime.
Posted to
Next Friday. Next Friday. 14 तारीख.
Yes, Mylar.
Item 9.
एवढा कॉपी देले आपण काई तहसीलदार टू इंस्ट्रक्शन नौ नांती. आपण तो कॉपी आगुर दिया हितबो. I have been asking learned Advocate General to set up a panel to go through the briefs and receive instruction. ये मैटर काहे कि हमें आपण को नोटिस दबो, आपण काहे समय नेबे.
Served in the on 2/6/2023.
2/6 only.
2/6.
1 month has already passed in the meantime. କିଛି ଆଉ ଅଧିକା ଓକିଲ ନିଅନ୍ତୁ ସରକାରୀ ପ୍ୟାନେଲ କୁ ନେଇକିରି ତାଙ୍କୁ ବସାନ୍ତୁ ଏଗୁଡା ଦେଖିକିରି ଚିଠି ଲେଖା ଲେଖି କରିବେ. Yes.
Malad, for correction of draft record of rights is miscase. For correction of draft record of rights, miscase filed before the assistant settlement officer has been rejected.
It has been rejected.
Yes, Malad. By Annexer 8, Malad. And Malad, a prayer is made for making up-to-date correction referring to the decision of this Hon'Ble Court, Malad.
You are agreed by Annexer 8?
Yes, Malad.
Where is the certified copy?
The certified copy.
What is happening to this court? Since morning, this may be the 12th case. I don't find certified copy of the orders. अच्छी आपन फाइल रे अछि?
No, Malad.
नहीं, केन फाइल कर देले? Suppose tomorrow you produce a certified copy which doesn't tally with Annexer 8. What will happen? There is an order impugned or not?
Yes, Malad.
Then should you file the certified copy or not? There is no filing of certified copy of the impugned order.
Since it is covered by Malad's
is not
decision.
entertainable. The matter will be placed only after filing of the certified copy of impugned order. Yeah.
Second, same. Sub-item same. Sub-item also there.
आपण फाइल कर सारुन तापर आसी.
Okay.
Item 10.
पिटिशन फाइल ହେଇଛି 31/5 ରେ. देढ़ मास ହେଇଗଲା ହେଇ ପାରୁନି मासे ऊपर हेलानी सर्टिफाइड कॉपी आसी पारनी 2 मास ହେଇଗଲା ऑलमोस्ट. ये
Item 10.
मैं प्लीज मान.
बोथ
the village
आरो मैटर टा कोन छी. Okay, so data matter together as well.
covered matter in view of division bench judgment.
आरोटा डिवीजन बेंच रो.
First time say.
देखिए. It's a division bench matter. Authority काहे करी?
No, covered under the division bench judgment in view of Narottam Ratha.
पठे दो ताले.
Narottam Ratha टा cover କରୁଛି.
Oh, अच्छा. ए चीफ जस्टिस को ऑर्डर कवर करूची. No, but there is final order in section 22. कवर अब जे सर्टिफाइड कॉपी तो फाइल करले इम्प्रूव्ड ऑर्डर इंटरफेयर करी सेट सेट करबा ना नहीं.
Certified copy.
Yes, next. Third day. There 10 that.
मैं प्लीज मान.
एटा तारी संगरे आसीबा. Yes, 10.
Malad. Malad, the village Mangaljodi is one of the well-known villages of Khurda district, Malad. Recently, there was a proposal for the Gram Panchayat office, Malad. The place was identified and later on it was shifted to a new place, which is a Gochar land, Malad. The villagers are having objection on it, Malad. And annexure
It is in a Gochar land?
Yes, Malad.
Please bring to my notice where have you averred that you have cattle strength?
Yes, Malad. Annexure 2, page number 10, Malad. In the middle para, the report which is submitted by the BDO, Malad, is clearly mentioned.
No, in your pleading, where have you stated you have cattle strength so that you are affected in the diversion of the Gochar land?
Yes, my lord. I have mentioned, my lord, in para number 5 and 6.
Para?
Para number 5 and 6, my lord.
5?
5 that on dated at the villages, Mangaljodi village,
हाँ, कहीं देखेले कोर्ट लिखछन दी?
Mangaljodi Gram Panchayat working since last 5 years. That the
No. Would you understood my query?
Yes, my lord. The plot number.
You said, you have said you are affected on the diversion of the Gochar land.
My lord. No, they have brought it to the Gochar land.
They are going out ahead with the construction on a Gochar land. So you are affected in diversion of the Gochar land. So where have you stated you have cattle strength so that you are affected?
My lord, in para number 6, my lord, Gram Panchayat, who was working since 2017-22.
Paragraph 6.
6, my lord. Some new places of new building.
Yeah, mic re speak karandu, please.
My lord. In plot number 4 to 9, under Khatian number 332 of 2.30 decimal was
para poduchundi.
Is para number 6, my lord.
Huh?
Para number 6, then para number 8, my lord.
6 re the representative of the Gram Panchayat katha lekha hai.
Yes,
so have a, they are requesting to have on some other place. Apan gai katha kud likhchandi?
My lord, in para number 8, my lord.
Para number 8.
That at present the newly elected representative of the Gram Panchayat has again newly selected plot number 391.
You are not answering my query. ମୁଁ ଆପଣ ଓଡିଆରେ ପଚାରୁଛି ଆପଣ କୋଉଠି ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଗାଈ ଅଛି ଏ ଜାଗାଟା ପଳେଇଲେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଅସୁବିଧା ହବ
sir ଗାଈ ଅଛି ବୋଲି ଲେଖା
ନାହିଁ ହେଇ ପାରିବନି ତାହେଲେ
but it's a Gochar land the villagers
ଆରେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ହବ Gochar land କୋ ଦିନ ହେଇଥିଲା ଆଜି
mid of the village my lord and total villagers
find a ground Mr. Misra.
My lord, total villagers are depending upon that land my lord.
Oh, you are not all villagers.
And my lord, and the pond is nearby, the school
you
is
are not all villagers.
The school is nearby my lord, and if the Gram Panchayat office will be open my lord, the people will flow to that place my lord and
entertain such repeat. It is at this stage of the matters Misra submits there is pendency of another writ application on the self-same issue.
Not pendency.
In such event, it may be open to the petitioner to bring appropriate application in the pending application.
Alright, direction may be to the given to the collector.
Sorry. Gochar land won't need. That was a concept long since. Ajikali hella gai gore bandiki rakhibe. गाय दाना आनी करी गाय को खुआइबे
टोटा गां लोक सेता ऊपर डिपेंड
गां लोक आपन तो लिखिलेनी मोर आज्ञा 5टा गाय तार whether if a retribution is pending then move appropriate application there that may be considered there
direction may be given to collector
I repeated retribution
because collector is not also considering our representation.
Yes, 11
may plead
11
may plead my lord I am challenging the order dated 24/2/2023 in annexure 14 which has been passed by Learned Principal Secretary, Government Housing Urban Department in UC Appeal number 5 of 2018.
Where is the original?
My lord, I have filed after it has the writ has been filed. The certified copy has been filed.
Pardon?
The certified copy has been filed.
Where it is?
After the writ has been filed, it was filed. After the writ was filed, the certified copy has been filed, my lord.
File करचंदी?
Again.
Ah, yes, it is there. All right, this is against appeal.
Yes, my lord. My lord, on the very same date, I have filed an adjournment petition seeking, which is under annexure 13, by stating that the conducting advocate is not well to argue the matter.
That was rejected.
That was rejected, and without giving opportunity, the order was passed in merit.
Appeal order.
Yes, my lord.
There is no mentioning of your moving application.
But it is in the annexure 13.
All right. Since it is against appeal, take notice.
My lord.
BDA.
BMC, original is from BMC. BDA is also one of the party here.
BDA is the party. So, all right, issue notice on the question of admission. Extra copies be served on the Mahapatra. Learned Council usually appears for Development Authority. And a counter, if any, be filed within 2 weeks of the appearance. Then records involving what was the original proceeding number?
That is UAP 213 of 2007.
In the section 91 to the section 91 proceeding, UAP 231 of 17.
213, my lord. 213.
213 or 31?
31, my lord. Sorry.
231 of 17. All right. Be kept ready.
My lord, in paragraph number 24, I have categorically stated that on 23rd May 2023, they have tried to dispossess me. I have construction over the property. They are trying to demolition over the.
You don't have any miss case?
My lord?
See, that's a stay petition, na? You
Achha.
have a miss case?
Yes, my lord.
What is the status? They have not acted upon?
No.
All right, in miss case, notice as above kar diya. One set. In the meantime, order involving UAP case number 231 of 17 may not be given effect to. Yeah.
Deeply against. Item 12.
In this case, my lord, sir, I appear for the opposite partner for.
Yes, what were you submitting?
My lord, sir, last occasion, this case was the first admission last week, my lord. And your lordship directed to take instruction. I was appearing for the opposite partner for the state vigilance. My lord, sir, I pray for a further 10 days time, my lord, to take instruction because in the meantime, 3-4 holidays intervene, I could not get it. My
Yes,
letter
Mr.
reason
Mahapatra, this case has some vigilance link.
No, it's an exclusion of
there is an
petitioner's name from the
allegation
tax
for the
court.
task force report. There is an allegation of multiple allotment. This is a case managed booked under multiple allotment.
No, they have already sent the
submitted a
letters.
representation.
Once vigilance is involved.
No, the fact remains the petitioner says that my father's name has been wrongly recorded. I don't have double plots, so that we have to consider. We have requested the vigilance department to send that original file because vigilance department has taken those 120 number of original files.
Yeah. On that only will I have taken instruction. Now 10 days time.
It's a peculiar case where task force
Mr. Das, you know, grounds are taken in writ appeal that the council's asking for time is not being given time.
That's
the only ground writ appeals are entertained. So
Not only, my lord, entertained, even if the counter is filed and case has been disposed of on merit.
Supreme Court, this is super Supreme Court, what to do?
On the ground, this ground alone, the orders are being
This
set
is the
aside.
bench super Supreme Court.
Yes, my lord, that.
He is entertaining writ appeals on that ground only. You may be finding surprise.
And even if the order is passed on merit
A
on
writ
counter
appeal
appeal.
has been admitted, entertained and remanded only because the single judge said, directed the authority for disposing representation without giving chance to file a counter.
My lord,
Writ
here,
appeals are admitted.
my lord, here what has happened, my lord.
Please wait for some time. You may get an order, but let us accommodate the councils. Let the instruction come thereafter the order.
Next week, my lord.
10 days Maguchanti.
My lord, already a letter has been written by the development authority since long.
Your instruction
Accepting
is
my
only
contention.
sending the file to the development authority.
Well, we have already received the CDS recommendations. And
Recommendation is there.
Yes,
then
ma'am.
send that instruction to development authority. Let them work on that. Why you ask for time?
My lord, sir, only my lordship, give me the last occasions, last time. My lord,
Next
I'll
week,
come back to your lordship.
So let the matter come on Wednesday.
My lord.
In the meantime, you have a very limited role. There is no contest against you here.
Yes.
Not against
No, in fact,
role of sending the
not against
recommendation
anybody.
of the guard file to the development authority for their working.
My lord, not
No,
against anybody.
in
Because
fact,
CDA
my
has
lord,
already
parallel-
found that there is a mistake.
There is no
Parallel investigation is going on, my lord. The CDA has inquired, and my lord, now parallel vigilance inquiry is also going on, my lord. That's why, my lord, some time is required. It's also got me 10 days time. I'll come back. Parallel inquiry.
Please. Das, Sanganam Das counsel appearing for the vigilance department at this 10 days time for obtaining complete instruction. The Das Leonard counsel for Krishna had pressing the matter. All right, considering there is genuine request for grant of time. This court adjourn the matter to 2 weeks after and direct placing the matter on 18th. 18th rest.
20th, my lord.
18th.
20th, your lordship may fix, sir, because
20th.
I will be absent on
So
it.
you give more time to them. all right.
20th.
20th.
Because let them,
And they got more than 10 days. That's no problem.
what sort
Yes,
of
there is
parallel inquiry?
Four more days available to you.
My lords,
6
I'll
more
come
days
back to,
available to you.
I'll come back to lordship, positive instruction.
Item 13.
May I please, Lordship?
Yes.
Madam, I'm appearing on behalf of Mr. Jena. He is not available.
Now, why
It's regarding the-
repetition for demarcation? There is a procedure, a format, and also there is a fee to be deposited. Why repetition?
My lord, we have already filed a demarcation case 37
Where
by
is that
2023.
case number? All right. Yes. This court directed a prayer court kar degi 37/23 directed to be concluded at least within 2 months, but however, involving party likely to be affected.
My lord, in a short period, the sideway adjacent plot is accumulating raw materials to construct a boundary wall. That is short period, man. Short period, man.
How is short time? 1.5 months.
My lord.
Item 14.
But yes, Mr. Counsel. It's only a demarcation. If
My lord.
somebody is constructing, what the demarcation authority will do? Or what you will do even with the demarcation report. So why are you not knocking the civil court? Yes.
Item 14.
If I may please your lordship, on last occasion, the lordship expressed the view that the old writ petition that was filed earlier, that is of 2015, that may be restored and an application for analogous hearing may be filed. I'm filing the application of analogous hearing in the court itself. With regards to the restoration of that writ petition, your lordship, 3 more weeks may be granted so that because the wakalatnama is still in transit, that the petitioner stays in Canada.
It will be analogously hard with
The 2015 writ petition.
23158 of 15.
Yes, your lordship.
Here, if there is private party,
Yes, your lordship, there are private parties.
then if we don't issue notice, simply tag, then they will be prejudiced.
Your lordship,
Same order is already asserted there.
yes, your lordship.
So you take notice and it will be listed along with the other matter.
Much
The
obliged.
private parties are there. In the course of submission, it revealed there is already a writ petition WPC 23158 of 2015 involving the impugned order herein. This court inclined to admit the matter. Direct filing refugees so and so kar doga. Okay. Matter will be listed after appearance of opposite parties along with WPC 23158 of 2015. Is there any stay order there?
No, your lordship. That was never listed, your lordship, for the honorable bench.
Otherwise, ye kariba na, there is no coercive action. What is the position of land?
Yes, your lordship. It is in the petitioner's
Your
position.
position.
Again.
Status quo in respect of the disputed land as on date be maintained by all parties concerned. Yes.
Much obliged, your lordship.
ये कौन correction नीचे को order रे देखो कर दो ना. Yes.
Item 15.
My lord, may I please? My
Yes.
Annexure 1. My lord, the sale deed. Vendor has sold over to property to the father of the petitioner. Annexure 2. Page 15. During Hall settlement operation, the land has been
Mr.
recorded in.
Counsel, I am not entertaining matters.
My lord, there is no dispute regarding, I am conscious of your lordship's decision. This is not relating to title between private parties. This is clear case of simple mutation, my lord. The plot has been again recorded during Hall settlement operation in the name of the vendor. While I have filed 15B application, my lord.
The authority has found there is interest with somebody else.
No interest, my lord. Annexure.
He has recorded, you will say no interest. Then how he has come to observe this?
My lord, may I place?
That's your submission. But he says on perusal of the case record, it is noticed that Padma Pata Mahadevi, Sushila Kumari Devi, wife of so and so, has sold the suit land to Biswanath Rath.
My lord,
Upon K.
son of Biswanath Rath.
Son of Biswanath Rath. Petitioner has not filed plot index, prove hal sabi correlation. Tahsildar Badamba has submitted Paravi's comment. Tahsildar Badamba has reported that petitioner is in possession of the suit land. There is no correlation furnished by Tahsildar Badamba is not related to the suit land.
My lord, contradictory. See, that sentence itself is
So your claim
contradictory.
is not
My lord,
matching
Annexure
with the
5.
Tahsildar's observations.
My lord, 5 annexure.
Let देखिए also notice on the question of admission. Get that Tahsildar report, whether and also the record of the lower court, what was being asked for, whether proper plot index was given or not, or he has given a report on some other plot.
May I place another thing, my lord? The problem is the order itself says there is no correlation, but Tahsildar himself says that the petitioner is in position. My lord, the only problem is plot khata number has been mismatched in the my lord.
It will come within 1 month. Upon a record LCR nation.
Item 16.
May I please? I am a lawful
Yes, Mr. Sinha.
possessor of a land of which I have been deprived of by illegal means by the government. Admittedly, I was encroacher of 8 decimals of land. Subsequently, I applied for settlement of the GS Act. It was settled in my favor. That will find from annexure to at page 9.
What happened? There is a excess recording of land.
No. The government subsequently, Tahsildar has issued ROR in respect of the entire plot. The entire plot, 1 acre, 54 decimal. So far as my area is concerned, is 8 decimal only. And where is my area? That has been shown in the map also. That is on the corner of the eastern side corner. And they have taken.
You are directly approaching High Court?
No, my lord. I had approached the collector to come to my rescue.
Collector or Tahsildar?
Collector, Tahsildar, everybody, and also to the police.
No, where is the proceeding initiated?
No proceeding initiated. They have, on war footing basis, they have ransacked, they have demolished by.
Is it not a matter to be considered in section 15B?
No, 15B, it is not to be considered.
And correction of map.
My constitutional right has been infringed. I have come to this.
Constitutional right tal to samaste High Court upale record of right re jar na parivartan hela jar jagare tike kam kar dele ki adhiya kar dele constitutional right he gala tal samaste High Court asibe.
What I beg to submit from my lord for kind appreciation, here is a constitutional guarantee that I must protect my property. If
Mr. Sinha, REIT is not entertainable.
No, if it is infringed, my lord, by the government and their authorities, they have come to the land, demolished my house, they have ransacked my premises where I was having one residential house.
Then you have to establish that it is your land.
I have filed the ROR. I filed the order of the authority that it is settled in my favor. Kindly similar.
Then why are you coming to High Court saying let the record of right be corrected by reducing the area?
There is no immediate relief. I could have gone to suit. I could have obtained an injunction order against them. But so far as efficacious and
Mr. Sinha, please read your first prayer.
No.
If a REIT is maintainable and your damage, etc., compensation, etc., is all dependent on the outcome of such a proceeding.
So far as immediate relief is concerned,
First prayer ta padhantu.
Respectfully, Lord,
Mic te down karantu.
To so cause why annexure 4 shall not be corrected
by
So
reduce.
who will make the correction? Who will make the correction? High Court.
I don't know, I'm Tahsildar, I've included Tahsildar as a part.
You have made Tahsildar party, no doubt. But High Court will issue a writ of mandamus on this.
So far as mandamus is concerned, I am not only on the point that it will be reduced.
So you don't press this issue.
I don't press this issue, but so
Okay.
far as the
Now
other.
come to the compensation. Is it not dependent
not
on
even
reduction of the
compensation.
land?
No, not even compensation. My possession over 8 decisions of land should be carved out. Let them take other property.
So who will carve it out?
Here on the basis of the documents,
Who? Who is the authority? Where is the remedy lies?
my lord may direct them. that you
Why should I direct?
Tahsildar is
There are
party.
remedy available under
No,
different
Tahsildar-
statutes.
Since Tahsildar.
Sorry, Mr. Sinha, I don't find this. a
What I
reason.
beg to impress upon my lord, so far as
Petition involved
Tahsildar
in
is
following
party,
prayer.
Tahsildar is a party.
Undisputedly, the petitioner has alternate statutory remedies. On his own submission of Sri Sinha, compensation aspect is dependent on the working out of the other remedies.
I may not be misunderstood. One line more I
In
want to add.
circumstance, this court find the repetition of this nature is not maintainable. Let the petitioner approach the competent authority for appropriate remedy under statutory remedies, if any, available to the petitioner.
One more word I want to add.
Pardon?
One more word I want to add. If a citizen comes to the Honorable Court seeking a remedy that, sir, my property is going to be ransacked, can I not have any remedy?
No, it's not that a serious infringement of right. There is preparation of record of right. There is
No, not on
reduction.
that.
You allege there is
No.
reduction or there is addition.
What I
Unless it
said,
is
they have-
established, unless it is cured, compensation cannot be.
They have pounced upon my
Sorry.
property. May I
Sorry.
appreciate one thing.
Sorry,
I am a distressed woman.
I have passed my order.
I am a distressed woman. I am a senior citizen. I have come to this Honorable Court for rescue and for grant of some relief.
For everything, read petition is
They
not.
are- They have already entered into my premises. They have ransacked
Go
it,
to appropriate
damaged it.
authority, get the record of right first corrected, then you may have a compensation.
My record of right is correct. Kindly see, my record of right, it is already there. 8 decimal has been.
Then why have you made a prayer to reduce the position
My
of the land?
plan is let them
Sorry.
go on constructing marketplace,
Sorry.
excluding
called
only
next.
8
Sorry,
decimal.
Mr. Sinha.
And where from 8 decimal will come, I have given a map. So that
Yes.
map will indicate what is my position.
Sorry,
of the-
item 17.
Then leave me, Lord, I will.
I have given, I have said, if you have any other statutory remedy, it is open for you.
Till then, some.
No, sorry, you have not made out a case. Next.
My apology, lords. My lord, the present petitioners are being the executive committee member of the Pani Panchayat, my lord. My lord, in pursuance to Annexure 1.
All right, here.
My lord,
Add the
till date, the
submission
election has not yet been
counsel of the
conducted.
petitioner.
And the election may be conducted as per the rule
Shall
40 of the
involve
Pani
following
Panchayat rule, my lord.
On the self-same issue, Annexure 6 is pending.
My lord.
Yes, on the self-same issue, Annexure 6 is pending. Writ petition is not entertainable at this stage. In the disposal of the writ application, this court direct OP number
3, my lord.
3, the collector, or 2?
3 collector kam ଦେଇଥିଲୁ that has been sent to the election officer OP number 3.
ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ କପି କାହାକୁ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି?
Copy to collector ମାଲେ ଦେଇଥିଲୁ that
କଲେକ୍ଟରକୁ ଦେଲେ କେମିତି 3 କନସିଡର କରିବ?
that has been sent to my lord. Office of the collector already sent to the OP number 3.
All right. OP2, since has already sent the request of the petitioner to OP3,
My lord.
he is executive engineer.
Superintending engineer.
No, ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ
execute-
କାହା ପାଖକୁ ଯାଇଛି ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ.
Executive engineer page 21, my lord.
Page 21.
Page 21. Executive.
କାହାକୁ ଯାଇଛି?
Executive engineer Jaspur irrigation division.
So which is the opposite party?
Executive engineer, my lord. Executive engineer, my lord. OP number 4, my lord.
OP number 4 is assistant engineer.
Superintendent engineer, my lord. Junior engineer.
Yes, executive engineer Jaspur irrigation division is directed to give a lawful disposal to the representation sent to it by the collector and district magistrate Bhadrak by working it out within a period of 2 months from the date of communication of order, if necessary, involving party likely to be affected. Party proper करंतु गला executive engineer अपन superintendent engineer को party
My lord, superintendent engineer is the election officer, my lord.
अरे बुझिल जे
My lord.
काहा से पठाइचंदी
As per the record, my lord, it reveals that he has sent to executive.
engineer ना नहीं
My lord.
हां तारे के consider करिवो
My lord.
executive engineer करिवो
My lord.
ନାଇଁ ଆପଣ ଯଦି ଆସିଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ଯଦି ସୁପରିଟେଣ୍ଡେଣ୍ଟ ଇଞ୍ଜିନିୟର ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି
My lord.
ତାହେଲେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ରିଟ୍ ରେ ଡାଇରେକ୍ସନ ଅଲଗା ମାଗିବେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେ ଭୁଲରେ ପଠେଇଦେଲେ ତା ପାଖକୁ ସେ ଅଥରିଟି ନୁହନ୍ତି
That is not my prayer, executive superintendent.
ଦେଖିବା ଏକ୍ଜିକ୍ୟୁଟିଭ ଇଞ୍ଜିନିୟର ନିଅନ୍ତୁ ଡିସିସନ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ନା କଣ ଡିଫିକଲ୍ଟି ଅଛି
ନାଇଁ difficulty କିଛି ନାହିଁ କିନ୍ତୁ ଇଲେକ୍ସନ ଅଫିସର ହଉଛନ୍ତି superintendent engineer।
ତାହେଲେ ରଙ୍ଗ ଡାଇରେକ୍ସନ ହେଇଯାଇଛି କଣ କରାଯିବ ତାହେଲେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଆପଣ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଦେବେ କି ସୁପରିଟେଣ୍ଡେଣ୍ଟ ଇଞ୍ଜିନିୟର କୁ
ଫ୍ରେଶ ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ଦବୁ
ଦେବେ
ହଁ
ତାହେଲେ ଏଇଟାକୁ ୱିଡ୍ରଲ୍ ପରମିଶନ ଦେଇ ଦଉଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଲିବର୍ଟି ଦେଇ ଦଉଛି ସୁପରିଟେଣ୍ଡେଣ୍ଟ ଇଞ୍ଜିନିୟର କୁ କମ୍ପ୍ଲେନ୍ ଟା ଲଜ୍ କରିବେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ହବ
within a stipulated time period।
Okay, on the self same issue, it appears there is already a complaint by Danister 6 already directed for consideration by the executive engineer Jaspur by page 21. It is at this stage of the matter and a counsel for petitioner submit. Since the OP number 4 is the election officer involving Pani Panchayat.
OP number 3 man।
OP number 3.
Superintendent engineer cum election officer।
OP 3, superintendent engineer is the election officer involving Pani Panchayat. It is better the OP number 3 takes a decision on the same. In this circumstance and as there is no communication to the superintendent engineer as of now, while finding difficulty in entertaining the writ application, this court, however, observe in the event petitioners make a similar representation to the OP number 3, at least within 7 days of the order along with the copy of order. The OP number 3 may do well in giving a lawful disposal to the same. 3 copy of order be handed over to State Council. Within 2 weeks, lawful order within 2 weeks.
Item 18.
Yes.
May please the lordships.
Item 18 wala
Annexure 7 is pending.
Again,
Annexure 7 is pending.
Annexure 7 is pending for execution of the lease deed, your lordships. And I'm relying on your lordship's judgment as well. Annexure 7 is only in the first application, lordships. In the next 2, there is no representation.
Then why all these 3 are assembled together?
I have different matters, your lordships. The first 2 are CDA and the other one is BD. Different.
So let them take a decision on Annexure 7, taking care of this decision.
Again, first one.
At the submission of appear kurchundi.
Again.
At the submission of Ms. Naidu as well as counsel
You know,
for
lordships,
development.
otherwise, let them take instructions in all the 3 cases. That will be better. Mr. Mahapatra will also.
There's
Let them take instructions.
So let us go one by one.
Again.
These are not parallel cases. Okay, considering the submission. And as this court find, there is pendency of request on the self-same issue at the instance of the petitioner pending before Secretary Photo Development Authority. This court direct the Secretary Photo Development Authority to take a lawful decision on the same, while also taking into account the applicability of the decision in the case of Saswati Mahapatra versus State of Odisha and another, reported in 2023, bracket 1, OLR 344, by completing enter exercise at least within a period of 4 weeks from the date of communication of order.
Your Lordship.
Second case,
Second one.
Aro case della.
Second one also same, Your Lordships. Execution of lease deed. The only difference is that in both the cases, in the first case only representation was filed. The CD authorities have sent me a letter that in the task force report, my name doesn't find place. And they have asked me to resubmit all the documents. I have resubmitted the documents way back in
Here there is no representation.
85 representation. That is the only difference.
So let the read petition be sent.
Yes, sabu same. Everything is same, only representation is.
Ye dita case hai.
Again.
I may be taken instruction, Malad, in 2 cases.
Pardon?
Maybe taken instruction in 2 cases, Malad. Maybe taken out next week.
You will take instruction.
Malad. Next week.
Online. Extra copies be served on same Mahapatra, Learned Council appearing for the Development Authority. Dita ko same order hoga. List this matter 10 days after date dava. So Mahapatra is directed to obtain instruction on the issue involved herein in the meantime.
Your Lordship is disposing of the first one.
First matter is disposed.
Item 19.
May I please, Malad? All these matters, my lord, apart from the last 2 items, that is WPC 20250 and 20254.
Mutation appeal.
My lord, I'm just coming, my lord. My lord, 20250 and 20254, last 2 items are not similar to these cases. So it may be taken into
appeal against it.
Soman. What has happened in this case, my lord?
The number of cases have been decided together.
My lord, that's how a common order has been passed. What has happened in this case, my lord? Mutation was allowed. Appeal was filed. The mutation order was set aside. The
appeal was filed by third party or a party in the mutation proceeding?
Party in the mutation proceeding.
Party
By the
in the
petitioner.
mutation.
By the petitioner. By the present petitioner. The appeal was filed. In the appeal, under Annex 3, Lordship may kindly see, relevant page is page 16.
Yes.
Accordingly, the appeal is allowed and the order passed by the lower court is set aside. The Tahsildar Patna is directed to revert back the landed property involved in this case to its original record of right as it was before, allowing the mutation. Thereafter, my lord, what has happened? Since the order was passed on 14/3/2023, it was not acted upon, for which under Annex 4, Lordship has directed in WPC number 13179
to work it out.
So again, the Tahsildar under Annex 5 overreached his jurisdiction, my lord, and he has gone to his original position by allowing the mutation case.
But Annex 5 is again in mutation appeal.
Mutation, he has taken one mutation appeal and all the orders of my lordships and passed the order in a common manner. That is reflected in the upper portion of the order as well as
there is private party, so take notice.
Yes.
You can't decide now.
My lord, my lord.
So your argument is Tahsildar should not have stepped into matter again.
Yes.
If the
He has
agrees,
exceeded
then
his jurisdiction.
in a read petition.
Yes, he
against
has
the appeal
exceeded his
order.
jurisdiction.
Alright.
He has got no jurisdiction to entertain such
Right, right. See, without jurisdiction.
Yes,
Order
yes.
without jurisdiction.
My lord.
Yes. There is serious allegation after the appeal. Mutation appeal is finally disposed. And a read petition disposed here, directing to work out the appeal order. Tahsildar had no jurisdiction to reopen a seat over the mutation proceeding once again and altering the order of the appellate authority. This could find a case to be considered. Accordingly, direct issuing notice. Notice accordingly karibo proforma dabane. Only proforma is not a contesting.
No.
Notice to OP4 only.
OP4 only for 1, 2, 3.
Copies 1, 2, 3 on state.
And operation of that order may be stayed.
Where is the miscase? Where is the miscase for state? You have not filed any miss case. And the miss case file kariki separate list banado. This will be the order in up to last two cases, है ना?
All the cases.
नहीं,
All the
आरती
cases
का-
except two.
आरती का कौन?
Aro duto asbe.
Matter will be listed immediately after appearance of OP4. And in the meantime, records involving the Annex of 5 proceeding be obtained. नहीं, miss case नहीं, मतलब से last data.
Miss case na record ta aja magdele bi purpose solve. Record ta mutation
Mogil,
record.
bra.
Bas.
250, yes, what is
My
this
lord.
case?
In this case, my lord, the mutation order was passed. Lordship may dispose it off with a liberty to file a appeal.
This was passed in 21.
My lord.
There is much delay.
My lord.
You can't count on 2 years delay.
Rustic villagers, my lord.
File करो तो এটা only state is the party, no
Only state.
private opposite party.
No, my lord.
There is no private opposite party.
Private
Mutation-
opposite party is 4. OP number 4.
No, so 4 is there. Therefore, how can High Court direct? Pisha has a statutory remedy of appeal against the impugned order annexure 3. In this circumstance, writ petition is not entertainable. Like this court observed, in the event the petitioner files statutory appeal at least within 2 weeks along with condonation of delay application, the
Here,
delay condonation
may
application.
I pray one thing? My lord, though remedy is available for mutation appeal, but if my lordship will permit me, I will just take my lordship to 2 documents, my lord. Lordship will be satisfied that how the mutation case was allowed. Lordship may kindly peruse. I only take my lordship to two documents, my lord. The cell deed, lordship may kindly page 11. Lordship may kindly peruse.
Yes.
The cell deed was executed on 4/6/2021. The vendor is one Upendra Prasad Devata. And now, lordship may kindly see, on the same day of the execution of the cell deed, the mutation was allowed. Same day, 4/6/2021.
परिवार लोकटा ହେଇଥିବ।
My lord.
परिवार लोकटा
My
ହେଇଥିବ।
lord. And my lord.
ସେଟା ବି possible ହଉଛି ପ୍ୟାରିମନ୍।
And my lord. And my lord.
ପ୍ୟାରିମନ୍
Another thing.
ମହାପାତ୍ରଙ୍କର ତ case ସେୟା ହେଇଥିଲା।
And my lord, another thing, that
ସକାଳେ
Upendra Prasad Devata,
ସକାଳେ cell deed ଉପରବେଳା mutation।
and that Upendra Prasad Devata, death certificate I have
That's a
annexed.
different issue।
Death certificate I have annexed.
This is also a ground।
Annexure 4 series lordship may
ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ
kindly.
notice ଦିଆହେଇନି?
Nah. Because my father is dead. How I will know?
Okay, notice ଗଲେ ବି father ଙ୍କୁ ଯଦି ଦିଆହେଲା dead person against
Dead person, it is an already in the eye of law.
Carry that allegation here।
That I have specifically avowed in my paragraph, my lord. Lordship may kindly see. I have specifically avowed that in para 6.
Yes. All right, there is
Petitioner
serious- there
is
serious
the daughter-in-law
all right,
and the only legal heir.
All right, there is serious allegation in filing the writ application involving a challenge to mutation order. Annexure 3, particularly alleging that not only there has been allowing mutation on the date of filing.
Date of filing.
On the date of filing, and also behind back of the petitioner who has been seriously affected by such mutation. It is for
The vendor is dead.
it is for
Somebody else has
these are
affixed his
serious allegations.
photograph and
This court
executed the
inclined
deed.
to entertain the matter in spite of a statutory remedy of appeal available. Direct issuing notice. OP4 को notice ଯିବ, ବାକି ଯେ ଅଛନ୍ତି copy ଦିଆହବ। ହେଲା? Place the matter immediately after service of notice. State Council is directed to produce the records in mutation case 287 of 21 on the next date of posting. मासे परे पोस्टिंग करो
Next one is also same, only mutation case is different.
बोले एठी खाली म्यूटेशन केस रा एटा किंतु किछि दिन त चालीची
ना ना किसी दिन चलने हैं एटा भी
हाँ।
देखो
नो नो
एटा
it
भी
filed
देखो
on 1621
my lord
and
lordship
decided on
नहीं क्या
date
31
is
पाँच
not visible but month 4 and 22 year
आगे 31/5/2021 रे हला सेल डीड सेही डेड पर्सन हेले वेंडर
right
आगे आउ
एक 6 रे फाइल हला
हां एक
देखो
6
केबे डिस्पोज हला
डिस्पोज होला 27/4
also same day no na
27/4/22 रे हला
behind back of the petition
yes without issuing notice
एटा जी
से डेड पर्सन को नोटिस कर दले कर देगा लग
Answer 3 is assailed. A order by the mutation authority is assailed on the ground of no natural justice by way of notice even. It is on this limited ground the matter is entertained. Hala. Baki order right.
oblige
I
तो
don't
महाती कितने नंबर है बच्चन थी अकेलानी कितने कितने आइटम 29 28 I'll be reaching within 5-10 minutes. Yes.
Item 20.
May I please? That passport matter,
Hmm.
the day your lordship disposed of, on the next day I received another letter antedating that on 15th they have passed an order.
So now you have involved the rejection order.
Yes.
Okay,
That is
that
annexed
is
5.
good.
And
We'll take the instruction, my lord. We'll take the instruction.
You will take instruction.
Malay, what has happened, Malay, one thing I want to point out. This section 6 which they have made applicable, the Ashok Khana case, that's Delhi case, that has decided that the section 6 is not applicable in case of renewal applications. Because the renewal applications involves another form. And
My lord has taken care of in this judgment.
No.
Dekho ache instruction nebe kuchindi can I decide the matter?
Yes, sir. I don't.
So you serve extra copy.
Huh.
Yes, Mr. Bhukta is there. Mr. Bhukta is there.
I have given him the copy. I'll give him extra copy.
Along with the submission of Sri Padi, assisted by Sri Bhukta, 2 extra copies be served on Sri Padi through Sri Bhukta, as undertaken by day after tomorrow. Instruction of the counter, if any, within 7 days.
10 days, my lord. 10 days.
Bhubaneswar counts 7 days.
We'll try to
It's
get it,
One
but-
case also. No, time not there.
No, on those things I should not have.
14th day re posting kar. It will
14th.
come on 14th day.
Man.
Item 21.
May I please, my lordship?
Yeah.
My lordship, the petitioner has approached to this honorable court by challenging the inaction of the authority, my lordship.
This will be a proceeding under which provision of law? Annexure 2, you are asking the Tahsildar to stay the illegal construction on your own land,
Oh, my lordship,
being
actually
undertaken
the,
by somebody else.
my
So
lordship,
under what law this care will be taken up?
my lordship, actually this is not a
OPLE.
OPLE. But
OPLE.
actually this is not a private
Land.
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 No, civil, she has to go for civil dispute.
That's
Injunction मागिबे.
one of the way.
Private land रे जदि आउ की construction करूची, it involves.
Land re
No, my lordship.
Tahsildar kon karibe ethre?
No, my lordship, actually it's not a private land, but it's
On
a
my royalty land since 30 years.
royalty means around 35 years. She has
You are in occupation.
my lordship,
Then you may be a occupier.
my
So
lordship.
your right can be protected, but not through Tahsildar. Tahsildar cannot protect. Law and order hele, jiva police ko.
My lordship.
Civil right apan protect kare chahundi, better to go to civil forum.
My lordship, actually, if it's a private land, then it will be a civil proceeding. But
Private land, you don't have the ownership. You are only possessory right.
possession right, my
So
lordship.
therefore, bring the state as a party and the private party who is troubling, then get an injunction order.
My lordship, the representation which she has given to the
Representation କିଛି
Tahsildar.
ହବନି ଆଜ୍ଞା ଏଥିରେ।
My lordship, kindly it can be done any inquiry if it will be.
No,
better for
sorry. Sorry, private right protection, why Tahsildar will go there even? At the submission of learned counsel for the petitioner, looking to the grounds and the averments made in annexure 2, this court find there is allegation of infringement of possessory right of private individual. In the circumstance, this court find there is no possibility of any inquiry by Tahsildar. In the circumstance, petitioner is so advised that the writ is not entertainable. However, petitioner, if so advised, may approach the civil forum.
Item 22.
My please, your Lord. The petitioners are the descendant of a Khasmal leasehold land. Their predecessor was a Khasmal lessee. They got by virtue of a civil court decree at page 10, your Lordship can see. The civil court decree was passed. Now my grievance is against Tahsildar. Against the Tahsildar for inaction. I am challenging the inaction of Tahsildar Cuttack, who is not entertaining my application.
Annexure 3 is entertained already.
Not entertained, my lord. They are not even giving registration number. Because their burden
What is your allegation?
My allegation, pardon?
What is your allegation?
My allegation is he is supposed to, under the statute OGLS Act, he is supposed to make a number, my lord, give a number and make an inquiry. That under OGLS Act.
What is the approach to the Tahsildar then?
He has to accept it and register it.
What he will accept?
Pardon? Accept. Annexure page 17.
Annexure?
The statutory form, I have applied along with the document.
Application for settlement.
So, yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Permanent
it is
settlement.
alleged through the writ application that an application for settlement of Gram Kontaka Parambogo.
No, not Gram. Khasmal Katta Khasmal.
Abadi Basti.
Nazul and Khasmal.
Nazul and Khasmal land. Even though extended to the Tahsildar Katak Sadar, he is not entertaining such application. This court in repeated occasions has already observed there is no question of not entertaining any application being extended by an applicant. It may be a different aspect whether application will be allowed or not, being covered under any statutory proceeding, statutory authority. And there is no room for denying, even entertaining an application. In the process, this court and disposing the writ application observed in the event, original of the annexure 3 is extended to the Katak, Tahsildar Katak Sadar Katak, at least within 7 days of the order, along with the copy of order. Same will be entertained and a lawful disposal will be given to the same, if necessary, involving party, if any, likely to be affected by completing such exercise within a period 2 months from the date of communication of order. Okay.
Item 23.
May I please, your lordship? My lord, in the writ petition, I have challenged the BDA and action of BDA and the BMC. They are going to pass.
Mr. Misra, this writ is not entertainable.
My lord?
This writ is not entertainable. It is almost a writ like Mr. Sinha was arguing.
This is a joint family property. He has, it has purchased from the joint fund, but he is now taking the.
What is your right over the property?
I am the holder. I am the Karta of the joint family. I have paid.
It is your own property.
Yes, madam.
Own property. Then why are you coming to High Court to get a status quo order? Go to civil court.
Only money to get a stop for the plan from BMC and BA. Now there is nothing.
Sorry, you have only civil remedy.
Yeah, I will. That is civil matter, but I have given the representation objection before the BMC and BDA.
The background involved herein and the nature of allegation in the representation. This court find no writ can be entertained on these issues.
May please direct to maintain status quo.
Petitioner, if so advised, may approach the civil forum.
They will sell it, but then he'll sell it after getting a plan, please.
Pardon?
After getting the plan, he wants to sell land.
जातु सिविल कोर्ट को सांगे सांगे जानतु
सांगे सांगे हब कौन से?
हबनी कहीं आज फाइल करिवे काली स्टेटस को ऑर्डर हबो कहीं हबनी जदि अर्जेंसी थिबो बट आमे सुन तो प्राइवेट लिटिगेशन रे आमे किए स्टेटस को दवा पई ओपी नंबर 4 is creating trouble.
Yes.
So you want status quo against a private party through High Court
Private party
in a 226 application? Is it permissible? Please restrain yourself. Yes, next case.
May I please your lordship?
Item 24.
Challenging the order dated 35/2000.
Mutation application is pending.
No, it has been disposed of. It has been disposed of, but in a misconceived notion, my lord, that referring to that 2018 circular. Mutation to appeal. आगे सुंदरगढ़. Probate is not necessary. Probate टा दरकार नहीं बोले even district judge ताकर succession act रे जो proceeding टा ही थिला district judge clear finding दी चंती. अपन देखो page 16 order of the district judge.
No, it is rejected only on the ground.
That है ही पे. माने से भूल that's a wrong.
So therefore let it go by covered order.
आगे. Order तो अच्छी की.
ये जो probate non probate में rejection question. Sundargarh, you are giving a copy of Sundargarh itself.
Mal.
ये जोटा 12361 question दी.
Mal.
हाँ Sundargarh right. All right. जोटा सबू से
आगे.
All right.
Item 25.
Yes, 25.
Your lordship may kindly see page 13, my lord, the ROR. 4 plots have been recorded in the name of Lighthouse. Lords, Lighthouse Gopalpur. Page 13. Last plot, 141.
Page 13.
Page 13, 13. Plot number 141. The extent your lordship may kindly see. That is the plot over which the lighthouse is situated. Lords, lighthouse construction is within an area of 2004 square meters. That is 60 and 240. Now, Lord, the rest portion are vacant. All the vast patch of land is vacant. Now, the OP number 3 and 5, Lords, they are contemplating to construct a crystal tower.
Have you moved the competent authority?
Yes, Lord.
What is that?
Lord,
Annexure 7.
They've given the, yes, Annexure 8, your lordship may kindly see the reply. They say the matter was taken up with the Indian Coast Guard. Lordship may kindly see page 28 and 29. Lords, before that, your lordship may kindly see page 21, lords. What is a crystal tower looks like?
So it is pending at their end.
No, they've given, lords, they say that the matter was taken up before the Indian Coast Guard and the Barampur Development Authority has given no instruction. No objection. Sorry.
Where is that?
Lords, that page 29. Para 2. It is submitted that all the requisite documents pertaining to no objection certificate NOC by BDA, Barampur, Odisha, and structural soundness for suitability of construction of crystal tower by BL Bengaluru has already been forwarded to kind of. Now, lords, the situation is like this, lords, at present. At page 25, your lordship may kindly see the first picture. Page 25. It was taken on 30th June 2023 at 2:45 p.m.
No, but then how are you affected?
Lords, it is just 20 feet away from residence. 20 feet.
Now, affect came for
Lords, it's a cyclone. It's a cyclone prone area.
No, the Coast Guard में lighthouse रो किसी से मैंने develop.
Lighthouse रे जगह अच्छी. Lighthouse रो जो premises रो अच्छी, your lordship may kindly see.
नहीं तातोरे आपंकर कौन खेती होगा?
Lords, just adjacent to residence. Page 25, your lordship.
कितने feet distance अच्छी?
20 feet. Now, no, the as per the director.
Mr. Pradhan, you are not hitting out the point. How are you going to be affected? 20 foot दूर रहते रहोगे.
It is a cyclone prone area. Number one, it's a cyclone prone area. In the year 99, there was.
You are an adjacent plot holder.
Yes,
What is the position of the construction?
My lords, that is what I was trying to draw your lordship's attention, my lords. Page 25. The first photograph your lordship may kindly see. This photograph was taken on 30th June 2023. Page 25. First photograph, left hand side, bottom, your lordship may kindly see the.
Koti construction hoji.
My lords, this is the area. Construction just has started.
No, just start kar deijandi.
Mal.
Start he gala kon kara jibo.
It is, my lords, it's a radius.
So notice on the question of admission, Allah. Fixing short returnable date, notice accordingly for you. Considering the impugned construction has already commenced.
Just commenced.
Commenced.
So,
no, ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ତା ଦେହରେ public spending ଥିବ କୋଉଠୁ opinion ଆସିଥିବ ତାଙ୍କର ଏଟା
that's
defense
benefit
ପାଇଁ କରାହଉଛି
I've got this point. I've got this point. We are not obstructing.
ଦରକାର ହେଲେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ସେଠୁ ଉଠେଇ ଦିଆଯିବ.
We are not obstructing, my lord. We just.
You are obstructing the construction.
No, we are praying for shifting of the construction.
Shifting,
there are
all right, construction, if any, will be subject to outcome in the writ application. Please help the nation. It is for in the national interest.
National
interest. That a private construction करनी जहाँ हमें पहुँची जाता है.
Lord, sir, we are not obstructing, my lord. That, my lord,
then you may go for compensation. आपण आगुटे कोटी जगह देवे कौन करियो पढ़ान.
Lord, sir, मैं issue notice in the miscase.
that को side रे कहले circuit house ला एपट.
ठीक था सामने.
Right side ला road.
Just
road रे सेपट टा.
आगे.
आपनकर से hotel अच्छी.
ना hotel नहीं. Residence area. Your lordship may kindly see the area.
हम से रेसिडेंस रे गुड़ा लोग आसंती राती रे रहंती मु देखी जी.
ना.
हाँ से ऊपर माला रे रूम
सब रखी जी. इटा.
ये मल्टी साइड टा तो.
No, hotel no. It's a residence.
मल्टी साइड टा.
Boundary सेपट.
Boundary सेपट. Beach रे अच्छे ना जहाँ hotel जहाँ beach रे.
देखिए से आसंतु कौन अब अल्टरनेटिव करी हो.
Notice in the miscase also.
Public spending हलानी and.
Lord, so we are no way obstructing.
And Coast Guard spending that can't be stopped.
Lord, so I am well aware of that. Lord, so we are not way anyway obstructing.
Item 26.
26.
Notice in the miscase.
Place the matter immediately after appearance. आपको copy दिया हुआ ना central government रो चिड़ा.
I have received the copy, madam.
Okay, extra copies भी सब. Yes, देखो न तारो जदि ताको किसी affect करूची तारे घरे रहिबा असुविधा हबो. बड़ो टावर ही जाउची सेटा पड़ले ता घर को.
99 रे पड़ जाय.
आपनकर किसी लॉजिक नाही.
99 रे पड़ जाय.
सुनतो आपन को 40 फुट दूर रे बत्ती घरटा अछि.
40 फुट ने बेसी अछि. बहुत दूर
तो बताओ सेटा आखे के देखा होची. हला 50 फुट. बत्ती घरटा केते ऊंचाई छी. 150 फुट. सेटा पड़ले आपन घर अफेक्ट करिवोनी. आप काई सेठी घर करतो.
बत्ती घर सर बत्ती घरटा अलगा अछि. बहुत आगे अछि. बहुत आगे
से कैंपस.
एटा सर्किट हाउस पाखरे अछि.
That is their land से ता तयारी करिवे.
130
घर को असुविधा हबो देखिवा कंपेंसेशन किछि हबो कि आपन शिफ्टिंग कर दवा सेटो. गोटे जगह दे शिफ्टिंग कर दवा. चिंता करंतु ताकर जति किछि अफेक्ट करछि लाइवलीहुड ऊपर ताको आउटे जगह कोड दे दे पठे दे जगह अपन नै जा.
99 रे सर गोटे पड़ी जाइतला रास्ता ऊपर.
Next.
Item 20.
First contempt.
Second contempt.
Second contempt. आउ मासे समय दियो.
The second one is.
If the order of the court is not worked out within this period, there shall be initiation of a suo motu contempt.
Second one is first contempt.
Second one is first contempt. Second one ta first contempt order karibo la.
For orders item 27.
My lord, in this case, the intervener petitioner is the Bank of Baroda, has filed this petition for being implicated as a party.
Chief ko pakru kai mention nahi kasla.
When I moved the DR, he could not say before which bench this matter will be listed. I apprised the Honorable Chief Justice. Then he has put up before a lordship.
So, asichi orders purpose.
I have filed a petition for.
What is the application?
My lord, I have filed an intervention petition on behalf of Bank of Baroda because opposite party number 6, Dena Bank has been.
What is that miscase number 2840?
Bank of Baroda, my lord, Dena Bank, who is the opposite party number 6, has been amalgamated with Bank of Baroda, I have given the circular and certain,
You are for the read petitioner.
no, my lord, I am for the intervener petitioner, my lord.
Your intervention has been allowed.
No, my lord, this is first time intervention is before.
Where
your
is your
lordship.
intervention application? This one?
My lord, IA 2840 of 2023.
Okay. Yes, what is your objection?
No, my lord, I am for the opposite party.
Mike again, Mike.
My lord, I am for the opposite party MCL.
Who
My
is for petitioner?
my lord, petitioner.
My lord,
Mr.
my lord, petitioner,
the senior advocate. was.
petitioner, in fact, my lord, in a proceeding before NCLT, I have given in
Won't it petitioner Okilo kahanti?
petitioner Okula, my lord, is not appearing. That is why I am saying it was most,
He is not appearing previously also.
my lord, this is an old matter. Previously, he was there before your lordship.
नहीं appearing करना बोले अपन
काहेंकि the reason,
appear करनी देखिवा
my lord, the reason why I am saying,
notice तो कले notice कला पर list this matter 1 week after रला 2016 रे तापर तो listing नहीं
again,
appear करनी बोले केमती कहले
no, again, because,
date दबा
my lord, what I was suggesting, subject to your lordship consideration, this petitioner in a proceeding before the NCLT Calcutta, my lord, has been taken over by another concern, my lord. So now the writ application has become infructuous also. That also I have.
So we may pass order in his presence.
Yes.
Wait for at least a
If
week.
this, my lord, if this,
आसନ୍ତୁ प्रदीप महांती माने सीनियर काउंसिल की प्रदीप्त कुमार महांती डीएन महापात्र जे महांती पीके नायक हिसन दास ए दास
It is
That's number.
Learned senior counsel. my lord.
Okay, there is no appearance on behalf of petitioner. Even though there is appearance of counsel Sri Mahanti on behalf of OP1, this is an application for intervention. Need to be heard in the presence of the petitioner. This court inclined to provide one more opportunity to the counsel for the petitioner who is not present today. So, I'll place this matter on next Wednesday.
my lord, may I pray next Thursday, Wednesday, I have some personal
Okay,
difficulty.
next Thursday.
Obliged.
Obliged.
सेदिन जदि न आसबे रिट पिटिशन डिसमिस कर दो
Again, writ petition has become infructuous, my lord. I will show. Again,
otherwise dismiss is your non appears
as my lord pleases.
Item 28. In item 28, I have requested my respected senior Sri Sanjit Mahanti, a little embarrassment. I was appearing along with Mr. V. Pathiran. My lord, he will conduct the case. He has some personal difficulty. If your lordship pleases, we have agreed for 12.
Who has filed this review application?
The counsel, Mr. Veera Pathiran. I was there along with him.
You argued the case.
My
It's a merit disposal.
My lord, your lordship may only keep it to 12th. That is a number. I have requested. They have also agreed, subject to your lordship's kind convenience.
Requested for what?
For deferment till 12th, my lord. Deferment till 12th, my lord. That I have requested my lord senior man.
I agree. Let him solve the copy of review.
देना दी
Name date.
review petition copy देबे नहीं अब केन file कर दो जन
Date.
I had the submission of Sri Mishra, the counsel for the senior advocate pra.
ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ ଏବେ ହେଇଗଲି ସେତେବେଳେ
हाँ
ନଥିଲି
नहीं ଏବେ ଆଜି ଅଛନ୍ତି ନା ନାହିଁ senior
ହଁ ଆପଣ କହିଲେ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ହବାର
senior counsel assisted by madam का नाम लिखिବ. We request for at least deferment of the matter for a week.
ସେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି 12 ତାରିଖରେ ହେଲେ କନଭିନିଏଣ୍ଟ ହବ ବୋଲି.
We had the submission of Sri Mahanti. There is assisted by.
Milords, I am also appearing from Delhi, Janakal and Das.
This matter.
Along with senior advocate Mr. Sanjit Mahanti.
ସେ ବି appear କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ
Yeah.
ସାଙ୍ଗରେ. Okay, and Sri Jankalyan Das, also a senior counsel, assisted by.
Mr. A. Das, S. Das, S. Das, S. Das and I. Acharya.
All right. Okay, considering the request of Sri Mishra, matter stand adjourned to 12th ko aniva.
12.
12th in the, as undertaken, copy of the review application be served on the counsels appearing for the other sides. All the sets of counsel appearing for other sides.
So grateful, very grateful.
May I be just permitted to see the file, your lordship's file. Okay.
Item 29.
My lord, this is that case where the lookout corner notice was passed by your lordship. And I have filed an application to modify one condition only.
Well, Lordship, that petition requires only one condition, Lordship, directed because they have stated that they are awaiting instructions from the government of India. In the meantime, 1 year has elapsed. Your Lordship had delivered judgment on
25/7/22.
25/7/22. 25/7/22.
1 year hegalani.
1 year hegalani.
What were
Lordship,
the
kindly see
conditions?
that judgment. Only para 6 of that judgment. Lordship, kindly see.
What were the conditions?
Condition is 5 lakhs. Lordship, kindly see page para 20 of the judgment. For a minute, my lord. Para 20 of the judgment. Lordship, got it, my lord.
Yes, condition number.
Condition number 2. In the event necessity of foreign visit of any of the petitioners, he or she, while providing travel plan under the condition number 1, here shall also be required to produce a bank guarantee to the extent of 5 lakh in favor of ROC. But so far as the pending travel purpose of event of necessity of foreign visit, that I am not sought for modification. Set of 1 year. But so only the 5 lakh bank guarantee, my lord.
Bank guarantee.
No, bank guarantee, but Lordship, kindly see, some of the petitioners are not very. The one person is only one employee of that year. Another is 2 persons are their employees. They cannot be. And 5 lakh, Lordship, kindly see, that is no more necessary.
What is the development now?
Any
further development?
Yes, no, they have closed. 1 minute. They have closed the proceeding. They raised a demand which is appealable, and we have preferred appeal. So that chapter is closed. Investigation is closed. Everything is closed.
What is the demand involved?
Demand involved is they have filed it, not very big amount. The demand involved is around 15 lakhs. Around 50 lakhs. 50 15
lakh, but that is again subject to what?
Subject to appeal, and they have also stated so. And we have also prepared appeal. And that, Lordship kindly see however, considering the investigation in only all is over, and department is waiting for further advice of the ministry. This Parade 20, this court is imposing certain conditions for overseas travel. So in the meantime, 1 year has elapsed. So advice of the ministry has already come, and they have already levied a demand of around 15 lakhs. Which is appealable, and we have preferred appeal for that. So this condition, my lord, is creating a problem, my lord.
Now investigation is over.
My lords, that investigation is over, my lords. But
And now you have also concluded with a finding that there may be liability up to 15 lakhs.
My lords, that instruction RD
No,
has to, regional director has
that
to
is
give,
on
my lords.
record.
My lords, may I submit, my lords? My lords, the ROC has signed the entire brief, and we are waiting for the response from the regional director, my lords. And my lords, admitting my
When
lords,
the copy was served on you.
my lords, copy was served long back, 1 month
Then
before.
why you take so much
My
time?
lord,
It's just,
my lord,
it is
yes,
just liberalizing a condition.
yes, my lord, yes, yes, my lord, only difficult.
Judgment is not taken up. Judgment is there.
Yes, my lord.
So 5
lord-
lakhs to 2 lakhs for the considering there is already
My
lapse of time.
Lordship, give me a short adjournment, my lords, because the RD has to.
Next Wednesday also.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, counsel for the enforcement directorate. Na apan kaha pain?
No, enforcement directorate, ROC. Register of
ROC and the.
penal also remember that the first of its kind judgment of the
Vera, Central Government Council seeks a short adjustment for taking instruction on the request for modification of the ground number 2 in the judgment of this court dated 25/7/22. This court feels it appropriate to directly relisting of the matter on next Wednesday date. Yes.
I'm obliged, my lords.
This is all.
My lord,
Reduce kar do aap kaun si ta
Yes, my lord.
purpose bhi solve hobo. Apanko purpose bhi solve hobo.
Deeply over.
Sorry. Hey, ka gote patha padmo. Nee. Senior counsel Manoj Mishra. Yes, what is this bail?
My lord, it's a third journey of the petitioner.
Eta nahi jai.
Earlier twice.
Hon'Ble.
Third journey.
Actually, annexure
Twice it was direct. Twice.
Annexure 2, your lordship had granted him liberty that in the event the matter doesn't proceed substantially, then he is at liberty to renew his prayer for bail.
Dharma karthile
My lord, he is in
A supari killer. He is a supari killer.
My lord, in
Inquiry.
custody since 3/1
କେତେ ବର୍ଷ ଭିତରେ ରହିଲେଣି?
3/1/2017, my lord.
Huh?
3/1/2017.
17 only.
Yes. And in the meantime, my lord, all the accused person has been enlarged on bail from this honorable court.
All other accused
Yes,
persons
my
have been
lord.
enlarged.
Yes, man. The order copy has.
But
that-
conviction on same footing.
Yes, man.
No, they're not conviction, they're facing trial.
But trial is there.
No, different role. Yeah, he is a super regular.
यार रोल कौन ताको रोल एग्जामिन करछंती
Na करिनी तो फास्ट टाइम yes.
मानको बेल दिया हिची
आज्ञा सेटा एग्जामिन करी
how they stand.
Yes, सेटा मु एग्जामिन करी.
यदि सेम फुटिंग स्टैंड होतुवा ताले ताको काहे की रखियो
If they have been enlarged, why you will be kept inside?
next Wednesday.
आज्ञा.
Considering time request by state council who wants to examine as to whether petitioner hearing stands on same footing as those who have already been enlarged on bail in the pendency of the trial. ସେତିକି ସରିଲା ଆଉ ନାହିଁ ଆଜି ହିୟରିଂ ରହିଲା hearing କାଲିକି ଆସି ଦେଖିବା ଯଦି ଅଧିକା ସମୟ ମିଳିବ କିଛି କରିବା.
My lord, I may be pardon me, lord, this item 32 is a covered matter. 32 my lord.
32 କିଏ ଅଛନ୍ତି other side?
32 my lord, it's regarding the land that LPG at a
Item 32, my lords, I have some submission, my lords, it is not covered. With the due humility, my lords, I humbly submit. This is not covered, my lords, my lord's friend.
Straight way.
My lord's friend says that it
This
is.
time you
that the
you have been
advertised
outside.
the land is disputed, he has given the land at range.
ଆପଣ ଓଡିଶାରେ ଅଛନ୍ତି?
My lord?
ଆପଣ ଓଡିଶାରେ ଅଛନ୍ତି?
ହଁ ଆଜି କଣ ଟିଭି ଦଉଥିଲେ ବାଇଟ ଦଉଥିଲେ
ନାଇଁ ପରଦିନ ଯିବି ମୋର 7 ତାରିଖ ଦିନ
ପରଦିନ ଯିବେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ କୋଉ ଦିନ ଶୁଣିବା କୁହନ୍ତୁ ସେ ମନା କରୁଛନ୍ତି କଭର ନାହିଁ ବୋଲି
22 ତାରିଖ ପରେ ଆସୁ
24 ପରେ
24 ତାରିଖ ପରେ
28 ରେ ଆସୁ ହେଲା ଆଉ ବାକି ତକ ମ୍ୟାଟର ଲିଷ୍ଟ ରେ ରହୁ
Item 40
interim order to continue.
item 40 your lordship contempt matter your lordship earlier occasion it was
କଣ୍ଟେମ୍ପଟ ସବୁ କାଲିକି ରହିବ ଦେଖ ପର୍ସନାଲ ଆପିୟରାନ୍ସ କିଛି ନାହିଁ
no
not faced
order your lordship order has been
ପ୍ରେସ ଅଛି କୋଉଟା ହଁ ସକାଳୁ ଦେଇଥିଲେ କରିଦିଅ କରିଦିଅ ମେମୋ ଫାଇଲ 39 No, 39 ଟା contempt.
40
not press କରିଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ କୋଉଥିରେ ଅଛି
40 item
40 କାଲି କି ଆସିବ
lordship
39
କାଲି ବାକି ସବୁ କାଲି କି ଆସିବ
ମାନେ 39 petitioner council has given a memo
39 ରେ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି not pressing
I am for opposite party.